Guys, welcome back to another stream. Thank you all for coming in here bright and early. We got AMC a 0.61% in the pre-market. The market is just slightly green right now. We're going to be watching Apple, GameStop, SPY, TLT, AMD. Lots of things going on today. Also, quick note. I am kind of sick. So it's gotten like progressively worse over the past couple of days. But like it's not gonna stop me from streaming. I'm just gonna be like very warm. But I will sound a little bit like Reg Capital today. So if you guys want me to do the impression, I can. That's mainly gonna be the only difference. So how are y'all feeling today? Let's have a great day today. Yeah, Ortex, we're gonna look at that like right now. Take zinc. Yeah, I could. I mean, I've got like lots of stuff going on. I'm gonna be killing liquid IVs. I got Dayquil, some all sorts of other stuff. So let's see. Drink water. I will, guys. I will. I'm like the king of like CVS. Don't worry. Like when I start to feel like a little bit bad, I'll just run into CVS and be like, give me everything. And I'll just give myself everything and then be good in a couple of days. So I'm guessing tomorrow I'll be like basically fine, but we'll see. I mean, it's not going to stop us from battling the hedgies. But let's take a look at this Ortex update over here. We have a wild Ortex update today. So we've got utilization looking like it wants to get above 80 this week, exactly like we expected. And then we have estimated short interest, 19.07%. That's a big jump. That's a pretty big jump there. Let's take a look at days to cover. Days to cover, 2.26. So it's getting like how I just tweeted out. Like if I didn't know any better, I would say these last 2 weeks were just a big trap for the shorts. What's this Mo ass thing everyone keeps talking about? Does that mean Mo booty? No, but those energy drinks are the worst for you. I mean, these I feel good on, but we're gonna be drinking a lot of liquid IV. I honestly, hold on, I gotta like turn the air conditioning like to a lower temperature because I'm like hot. Here we go. No, I'm good, Dan. I'm fine. I've already had the first one, the original one. I got it the first day of school last year, and then I've also got those. So I'm pretty sure I should be good, but we'll see. I mean, I've had a couple of scares before where I like felt much worse, but it's fine. I mean, where do I go? I live in my apartment. I like stay here and hang out with you guys all day. All right, everybody. So, can I share my entry times today so we can extrapolate options trades? I mean, we can. I don't know if I'm going to do anything today, though. We're going to have to look and see what SPY gives us. So Apple, I mean, I already have these Apple calls. I have the 172.5s, 172.50s. I've got a decent amount of them. So the news that came out yesterday for Apple was very, very good. If the market shows any signs of bullishness today, I think Apple's going to rip. I think we could easily see 175 out of Apple. But again, don't do anything that I say. Like, I'm just like, this is money that I can just lose and be fine. That's how you should trade options. AMC, a 0.71% in the pre-market right now, 31.30. Here we go. We're going to need to see a couple more tests of that 31.50 today. So that's going to be a first edition shiny VIX. There we go. Yeah, so 31.50 is going to be a key level today. Let's see what we do around there. Remember, yesterday, I believe we tested it 2 or 3 times. So let's scroll back here. So we tested it here. So that's 3, 4. So today, if we start to really get going, that could be like the 4th test and we could really start to get going. But let's see. SPY, JP Morgan did come out with like one of their economic reports, and their price target for the S&P 500 in 2022 is 50.50. I believe that's about 8% higher than what it's currently trading at. With one rate hike, some other stuff in there as well. And then we got to like, I want to talk about this one situation here that is really putting, oh, we got Antics back in here. What's up, Antics? Okay, so there's one thing that I really want to get across to you guys. Let me see if I have it here. Yeah, okay. So this chart right here is tracking alpha. Alpha is how well you perform versus the overall broad market. So the S&P 500. So fundamental LS. So that's fundamental long short hedge funds. So we can see that on average this year, the red line is cumulative alpha. So they're essentially underperforming the market by 11%. When you have lots of money at stake, that is huge. They are not performing well this year. And the other thing you have to think about is all of these companies are wildly over. SCV, don't worry, your hair looks fine. No, it doesn't, Gio. I already know it doesn't. Yeah, I saw that on Pfizer. We're going to be watching Pfizer today too to see if we can get some calls. I believe they shot up to around 52.50. If they start to break out above there, it could get dangerous in a good way. So right here, what we're looking at is, well, we know everybody's really, really over leveraged. And we know that November 15th was the day that the investors in these funds were able to, the last day that they could tell the fund if they were going to be taking their money out. So when you combine all these things together, if they take their money out, then they don't have collateral anymore. And their prime broker is going to be like, give me more money. And they're going to be like, we don't have it. And it just starts this domino effect of margin call, liquidation, and they get screwed. So we could see a very, very volatile end to the year and beginning of next year because of this. And when you think about like Citadel, they're going to have like a lot of bargaining power with their clients because they're like one of the top dogs out there. It's like Citadel, Millennium, 0.72, and then a couple of other ones. And they're closed to outside money now. So it's basically like all like Ken Griffin's money and then outside investors, but they're not taking any new money. So if you leave, you can't get back in. But the smaller hedge funds don't have that bargaining chip. If people want to go, they're going to go. They can just see, here's the thing. If you were just like, yeah, I'm going to throw my money into the S&P 500 and just leave it there because your fund is underperforming it by 11%, I would have made like a decent amount more if I just threw it into the S&P. Why pay the 2 and 20 fee? So what most hedge funds do is they have this fee structure called 2 and 20. So they take 2% of the assets under management and then they get 20% of the gain. So they're incentivized to, perform. So let's say they have $100 under management, they'll make $2 every year. But then let's say their fund increases to 120 assets under management. Well, they'll get 20% of that gain, so they get another $4. Let's see. Starting to look like Sonic. You guys, I need a haircut. I'm not feeling well today, so leave me alone. I don't want to hear it out of you. All right. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. It just helps get some more people in here. We're going to have a fun day. We're probably going to trade SPY today. It is a 0 data expiration date, so we usually have some fun on those. And then I've got those Apple calls. They're probably going to do all right if the overall market starts to get going. But AMD, how's AMD doing right now? They were red the last time I checked. Yeah, AMD down 0.61. These might get hammered, but it's all right. I also have some YOLO SPY puts as a hedge for today. So if the SPY really starts to come down at any given time, and I can basically make some money back off of the Apple and AMD losses, if that makes sense. AMC Ortex, yeah. So it's at 19. Oh wow, it's coming up again. 19.12 right now. It is really getting up there. Ooh, here we go. Here we go, people. That's what I've been saying for the longest time. It's like we're gonna see these it stinks in the short term to see the stock tank, but the short interest is gonna really start to come up. And think about it, we're at 31.28 in the pre-market. That's not that low. Like it's really not that low. If we could get back up to 35, 34, and the shorts are still trying to add to their position, well, we could see 20% short interest at 35. Which would be awesome because then we're just putting so much pressure on these shorts. And again, remember yesterday, the volume was like 40 something million. So if you needed to get out of like, let's say 10 million shares, you're putting 25% of that daily volume back in and buying. That's going to really jack up everything, like really substantially. Hello, my friend. What's up, Barney? How you doing? Wouldn't hedge funds want to exit their bad positions before year's end so they aren't starting the new year with bad positions? Yeah, they could. Hello, Vixen crew. What's up, Clay? How you doing? Listen, I missed that problem. My hair is receding quicker than the French army fading in German. Oh, that sucks. Low key, my hairline is receding like a little bit, I think. Somebody was telling me that on stream one time, and I was like, oh, shoot, you might be right. That was not nice of you, but you might be right. AMC 31.25. Doing pretty good right now, up 0.68% in the pre-market. This is getting good here, people. Those Ortex numbers will bring in buyers. Yeah, it could. SB, thoughts on ATER and BBIG? They've been ripping yesterday. Oh, yeah, BBIG. Thanks for reminding me. Not too sure about. All right, I kind of like BBIG. I do want to get something on BBIG. Let me see. Let me just take a look at the chain really quick. Actually, I can just do it here. July. Oh, wow. These are cheap. I mean, not really, but interesting. All right, we'll keep an eye on BBIG throughout the day. Just make sure you guys remind me. I know M. Kriegs was looking at that one. A lot of other plays are a distraction to spread retail thin. I mean, they could be, but at the same time, like, I'm going to keep trying to make more money because after the squeeze, I'm going to still want to be able to make money in the market. So that's what I'm doing. I've got my set amount of money that I'm using to trade in my account. And then I just buy like if I see that like AMC's at a low, I'll just buy some shares with some of the gains. And then same thing with GameStop. Like I'll do the same exact thing. So let's see here. What spies we getting together? None of them. You're not supposed to come in with me. Don't do that. Yesterday was good. Yesterday was decent. Could have been a lot better, but I don't know. We see these BS moves in SPY at the end of like, look at this. Like I think I got out around here with SPY. I don't know. I'm looking to see some more bullish momentum out of SPY today. I think it has it in it. I think SPY can really get going. And that's going to be really good for my Apple calls. But at the same time, like here's the thing: if I have a lot of exposure on Apple right now, I don't necessarily need to go after SPY today because Apple makes up a big percentage of the S&P 500. So if I'm just going to kill it on Apple, it's almost like I'm getting greedy with trying to hit SPY too. Like if I see an opportunity, yeah, I'm going to go for it. But I'm really just focusing on those. Let's see. AMC doing pretty solid right now. 31.29. Here we go. Up 0.81% in the pre-market. Remember, 31.50 is going to be important. Watch that 31.50. So, I like to start my mornings saying YOLO. Yeah, Pfizer. Oh, yeah, we are going to want to have Pfizer up today. I almost don't have enough room on the thing. Like, I want to have all different. I mean, whatever. PFE, how are they doing? 52.28. Yeah, 52.50 if they break that. Like, let's look at this on a 6 month. Like they have the potential to rip to 55. So if we break 52.50, like right here, like it'll just start running, I think. So, but Pfizer's a little bit of a slow mover. I had some Pfizer plays a couple of weeks ago leading into Thanksgiving week and they were just down. So I just sold them because I like hit a giant play on Apple and I was like, all right, that's great. But then if I just held those on the Friday, they would have gone up like 1,000%. And I was like, awesome. Thanks. How's TLT looking in pre-market? TLT down. All right. Bond yield settling down. Let's see. This week, TLT has been a little bit weird, remember. So we haven't really seen the correlation of SPY and TLT these first two trading days. So I'm going to watch it today. It is a good indicator to kind of, it's just another confirmation of let's confirm the direction of where the market's going to head. SPY contracts were heavier on the call side yesterday. Yeah, I bet they were. Do you see a bounce back with DCT? I have not checked that one out, but Geo, Apple coming up, buddy. DCT, what are they? Duck Creek Technologies. Never heard of this one. Profile. Insurance. Interesting. What happened to them? I mean, they're up. I mean, did they just tank recently? I don't know. Oh, yeah. It's starting to curl back up, but this could be a little bit of like a dead cat bounce. It could keep going down. Yeah, this one's going to be a little bit risky, but I mean, we'll keep an eye on that one. We will keep an eye on that one. Let's make some money today, people. That's what we're looking for here. We're looking for Apple to really get going. I know Gio's looking at those Apple. S&V, have we got to 80% utilization yet? No, we are at about, let's see, 77.3. With the estimated short interest that we have now, I could easily see utilization getting above 80 very, very soon. And they're going to keep shorting it. Like with the, remember, I am still expecting to see volatile moves in everything up until the Fed meeting on the next week, 14th and 15th. So be careful with anything that you've got short term. For me, I'm just going quick in and out of stuff, following the trend for the day. And then I usually don't hold things overnight. These apples were a little bit different. I was playing the 170 breakout. AMD, same thing. It looks like I might have to bite the bullet on AMD right now. But let's see. I mean, they do. It's coming back. It's coming back. My Apple contracts are almost in the money. We're going to need to see SPY really get going. If the overall market gets some more bullish action today, AMC is going to have a very, very solid chance of crossing that 3150 mark and really having a good day. M. Crees, good morning. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. Yeah, anytime, guys. According to Apple has halted iPhone production for the first time in over a decade due to supply chain issues. Yeah, but they also said something else that like they need to speed everything up, and they just signed like a massive deal with the Chinese government. So I think Apple is going to be solid. I think that news came out yesterday on Apple. Why Apple will now let you fix your iPhone instead of just getting a new one. That seems stupid for Apple's business model. Their whole thing is, all right, AMC 3130. Here we go, people. Here we go. How's GME doing in the pre-market? Remember, GME has earnings after hours today. Last time, remember, GME's earnings they weren't necessarily disappointing, but you can't look at GME's earnings call in the same way as AMC's earnings call, because GME isn't like they don't engage with their retail investor base as much as AMC does. So I think a lot of people that own both, but more focus on AMC, were expecting something similar out of GameStop's earnings that AMC would do. And it's just not feasible. Like, you got to look at the numbers and be like, okay, how are they doing? Let's see what happens in their earnings call and then move on. If they mention anything about crypto, new partnerships, how they're doing fundamentally, I mean, those are going to be good things to see. But yeah, also, we are going to do the 2 streams today. So what's up, Mask Gang? How are we doing, people? Let's have a good day. Again, I am a little bit under the weather today, so bear with me. I mean, it's not going to stop me from doing my thing. So let's have a good day today, people. Good morning, people. Here we go. Enjoyed seeing TMI, Rogue, and you together again. Yeah, that was fun. That was real fun. Let's see. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. It just helps get some more people in here. You guys have been super, super supportive recently. I can't thank you guys enough. We're going to be doing a lot more of these streams, especially once I go on break. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of me. Maybe Loop Ring Rocket. Yeah, I'm thinking. I mean, they could. They easily could. A lot of people are thinking that's going to be GME. I got to look more into that, though. Apple doing good. AMC 3127. SPY selling off a little bit into the in the pre-market. We've got about 26 minutes till the market opens. We got some plays ready to go. Let's see how they play out. How did the presentation go? Honestly, not good, but like, I don't care. Short the common cold. Yeah. Yeah, presentation, not good. Emergency. I mean, I've got my liquid IV. I've got my energy drinks. I've taken some stuff before. We're good to go. We're going to have a day today. We're going to be having some fun. Gang. What's up, Super Mom? Yeah, also, shout out to all the members of the channel. Thank you guys for supporting. I really, really appreciate it. All right. Let's check AMC's Ortex again. It's just continuously been ripping up this morning. All right, so we're at 19.12% on the estimated short interest, and we should be getting the exchange reported numbers very, very soon, I believe. Like today, honestly, it might be. So the release date November 24th. Was that 6 days plus 8 days? I think it's today. I think it's today after hours. We're going to be getting that exchange reported short interest. Let's see how it comes in. But again, the settlement date is going to be the end of November. Oh, so we could see it really step up, like really step up. And then we get an increased estimate on Ortex. Ooh, that could be dirty. That could be absolutely dirty. Really, Jackie? You wait till I'm watching TMI to tell us your name? Yeah. Oh boy, says Trey's mustache. Thanks for the super. Ortex giving me chills when haircut. Honestly, I mean, I might be able to do it today, but I'm thinking Saturday. And I'm like hot right now. So like my hair is gonna be all over the place today. So you guys can make fun of me all you want. I don't care. I also know that when my hair is looking in good shape, it's top tier quality. So I don't want to hear it. I can have one off. I can have one bad hair day, guys. I'm allowed to have one. Crypto might take another hit this week. Yeah. Aren't they all meeting? All of the big members of the crypto exchanges? I think they're all meeting this week. All right, AMC 31.21 up 0.5% in the pre-market. Apple doing all right. SPY, we're going to need you to get going here, buddy. GME up 0.39% in the pre-market, 178.50. Let's have some fun today, people. Harry STV? No. I'm convinced that the co-streams are one of our catalysts. When is the next one? I think we're going to do, here's the thing. I think we're going to start doing some streams on Sunday nights. Bring back late night fix. And we're going to try to have some guests on every time we do it. So let's see how it goes. MOS challenges AMC hit 10K a share. YouTubers covering AMC should get mullets. I don't know. I don't know about that. If Trey's still in the military, I don't think he can. And then I mean, I probably could. But am I going to? Probably not. Imagine showing up to Christmas and STV just has a mullet. My family would be like, dude, no, get out of here. You're not allowed to hang out with us anymore. All right. I mean, I'm loving this Ortex data right now. Like everybody was getting worried when it was down at 15%. And I was kind of like, just wait. It's coming up. It's going to come up. It's going to come up. They're shorting the absolute BS out of it. It's got to come up at some point. It's got to be wrong. And now we're finally seeing it. So we're going to, I don't see the whole utilization thing not being above 80, 85, 90 right now with, hold on, let me look. I want utilization and estimated. I want estimated short interest. That's what I want. Estimated short interest of the free flow. Okay. So we got exchange reported. Exchange reported 87 million. What's utilization though? Okay, here we go. So here's the thing. Previously, we've seen utilization at 97%, but the estimated short interest was 15%. So what's going on here? Like there's something weird going on this in this securities lending market for AMC. Like we're seeing the short interest really start to get up there, but the utilization isn't reflecting it. So they honestly might just keep shorting it, and we might see 25%, 30% short interest. And then that's going to be what gets the utilization up there. But again, that's just going to be more shorts that they have to cover, and is going to make the next run up potentially even more aggressive. Because remember, the exchange reported short interest in January for AMC was like 7, and it ripped. So patience, guys. We're looking for that next big run. Again, I still really like January, but we're going to see what happens. Late December, early January is when I see us getting some bullish action. But again, nobody knows. Don't take what I say about me speculating on January as like a sure thing. Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. I'm just looking at what's happened in the past, how do things correlate, and what could we potentially see in terms of timing of it. That's literally what I'm doing. Option chain quarterly. That's what I look at. How do you put 4 different charts up on Weibo at the same time? So if you look in this top corner right here, you click this little grid thing, and then you can click this 4, and then you have 4 charts. Everyone here is already filthy rich. Just got to be patient. There you go. How does this affect us positively only if the market crashes? No, it just means that like when you see the short interest is a lot higher and we're still at like a decent price, 31.20, it just means that there's going to be more shorts that they need to cover, and it lowers the danger zone. So the danger zone previously was mid 50s. It was going to take a lot of buying volume for us to get to mid 50s, and there wasn't any like really crazy options, like any concentrations on the option chain below that. Like we saw 40 a couple of times, 45 get a little nutty, but other than that, it wasn't that crazy. Now with being at these lower levels where you can buy the 40s for pretty cheap, don't do it. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying people are going to do it. So it literally, like, if I didn't know any better, these last 2 weeks have been the biggest trap for the shorts that we've ever seen, because they're going to keep shorting it on the way down, and you can't hold AMC down forever. Retail's going to keep buying. Institutions are going to keep buying because they know the potential of this situation. So when we see the price tank like it did going down to the mid 20s, well, it stinks to see that, but at the same time, it's just giving us more ammo and more firepower for when we start to go. So it's this next run up, whenever we do see it, is going to be even more aggressive than what we've seen previously. Good morning, STV and everyone. Thank you, Beach Guy. Good morning, man. Boom, boom. Yeah, a little bit of a boom, boom. I mean, little bit here. We're at 31.23. Apple, I'm going to need you to get up there. SPY is coming down a little bit in the pre-market. But again, I think we're going to see a volatile open. I think today could be a bullish day. But it's more me hoping for it to be a bullish day. Because we did see a lot of bullish action yesterday. Ooh, AMC looking to get back above 31.30 in the pre-market. Here we go, people. Again, 31.50. Watch that level. If we start to test that again, it could easily, I don't want to say flush, like it's not flush. What would be the opposite of flush? I don't know. Shorting hood with my tendies. There you go, Gio. Burhi, what's up, man? And of course, Short the Vix. Thanks for the morning lives. Burhi, anytime. Prague still killing me. Yeah, how's Prague doing? Prague was looking pretty good recently. Prague a little bit red. Wow, they were actually down yesterday. They were ripping at one point, I believe. Maybe it was Monday that they were going. Adam Aaron tweet. Oh ho ho, here we go. Here we go. We got an AA tweet. If you're please don't blue balls me on this one. I really do want Adam Aaron to have tweeted. December 6th. Come on. That was not nice. He didn't tweet. Rip? Yeah, it could, but it's not like a rip. It's like a flush to the upside. Like, I don't know what to call it. We got to come up with our own term. Anybody have a good one? Run? Nah. Rip or run? Like, we've seen that. Like, those aren't like I feel like a rip or a run is just like a slow, steady up. We need like a boom, like a definition for like when we start to break a level, and like a term, and then it just I was gonna say rip. We could get a rip. I think that's what we could talk about it as. Spike. I do like Spike. Keep your eye on Dare. It's helping save it. All right. Thanks, M. Creeks. That's a good company to be invested in. Honestly. I mean, I'm down for that company. That's kind of, I mean, Air Bioscience. All right. See, this is the company that we need right here. Wedgie. Thrust. Erupt. I do like Erupt. It could erupt up to those levels. Mike V, I do like that. We could call it an eruption. I do like erupt. All right, here we go. Also, we're getting a lot of people in here today. Thank you guys so much for always supporting the stream. Let's have some fun today. Let's make some money. All right, I'm going to need Apple to get a pop. I need SPY to stop being a little wuss and just pick a direction to the upside. That's what I want. All righty. I do like erupt. Explode. Explode's good. Combust. It could combust up. All right. That's a good one. That's a good one. Smash, smash, smash that like button. Yeah. Climaxing. No, you guys are wild. You guys are wild. I do like erupt. I think we're gonna try out erupt today and then see how it goes. Nah, it's not a melt up. It's like a big aggressive move. All right, AMC 31.18 in the pre-market. SPY selling off a tiny bit. Apple, I'm going to need you at 172.50 today at some point. Whenever you do it, just let me know. Oh, I heard a really cool quote the other way. Get Keenan on the show. Yeah, Keenan. Yeah, Keenan is down to come back on. We just got to set it up. I would like to try and do at one point, maybe over break, another stream with like me, TMI, Keenan, Trey, and then also try to get Matt on this time too. Because last time we did it, like we were trying to get Matt on, and he was just busy. And then everybody was like, "Why didn't you have Matt on?" And I was like, "He's busy." Combust. Nah, I think we're gonna go with Erupt. Morning STV. Hope you got out of those spy calls before the dip yesterday. You ready for those dailies today? Yeah, Ryan, I did. I mean, I took a decent gain on them. I think I made like, I don't know, 30. I think it was like 30% on them, which is not bad. Like these like afternoon spy sell-offs are just annoying. Like it's happened Monday and Tuesday that when you get to like 2 p.m., it just starts to like, and it's like, come on, really? It's just flushed. Like that's 2 days in a row where we've seen like Spile just poop itself, which stinks if you're holding calls and you're up a really solid amount and then it just, and you're trying to like not be a little baby and hold your calls and make more money. But yeah, it's fine. Still living to fight another day. That's the main game. Boost the cash balance up, keep going. Take those gains when you can. AMC 3120. Here we go. We're going to need a 30-cent pop once we open up today. We got 14 minutes left. Here we go, people. What about banger, like a banger move? You could. I just like Erupt. I think I'm gonna go with Erupt today. That's what we're gonna go with. Don't forget Rogue as part of the AMC Avengers. Of course not. Of course we're gonna put Rogue in there. Put a stop when you see profits. I don't use stop losses with options because it can just like flush right through it and you're not gonna get hit. You can put a limit and it'll get hit, but that's when you like actually want to sell, because if you put a limit under the bid, you're just gonna get hit. Ortex, yeah, we can do another Ortex update here. Let's see. Ortex, 19.12% short interest. Days to cover, getting up there. How's the days to cover doing on the 2-week? What is it? Come on. Days to cover on the 2-week, 2.46. Days to cover on the 3-month, 2.14. Interesting. Interesting. All right, GME just hanging out. SPY just not doing much. I don't think YouTube would get mad at me if I said Erupt. Stupid customers distracting me from slacking off, says Jazz Cabbage. Yeah. Can you Ortex ATER real quick? Yeah, I can. ATER. The confirmed naked shorts. Oops. That was not what we wanted here. Hold on. I don't even know what this is. Here we go. Woo, wow. 26.67% short interest. Utilization not really getting up there though. Cost to borrow decent. What's the days to cover on this beast? Days to cover. I mean, they must have a high float. That's probably what it is. So 26.67% short interest. That's high. Very, very high. Don't forget Mandy. She's basically Harley Quinn. Yeah. I mean, we haven't seen Mandy up here. Vix, any plans on the SPY today? What do you think of the gap on the 5-minute chart? I have currently no plans on the SPY. I have so what I have right now, I think I have some YOLO puts at 463. And then I have AMD and Apple calls. So if the SPY starts to go and the market starts to rip, well, Apple's probably going to go with it. Same thing with AMD. But if the market really starts to tank today, then I'll be able to make some money back on those puts. That's what I have right now. But I could also like look for some, like if I see everything start to line up like we usually do, I'll definitely take a trade. But we'll see. Again, in the pre-market, I usually don't have any idea. I just look at what's it going to give me today. That's kind of what I do. It's like I'm going to do my best not to get anything within the first 15 minutes. Remember yesterday I made a quick like $40, but TLT was ripping when the SPY was going up. And I was like, I don't like that. Because when TLT is coming up, it suggests that the SPY should be coming down. It's like a fear move in the bond market. So, I mean, It ended up working well. Got out of those. I think I went from having the 468s to the 469s is what I did yesterday. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to wait and see what direction it wants to pick today. It could be a flat day. AMC selling a little bit here. We got 3109 in the pre-market. Apple doing all right. TLT doing its thing. GME, how are we doing? Up 0.55. GME just kind of barcoding in the pre-market. SCV, you got a slight advantage over me. It cost me $10.95 to get in and out of a SPY trade. You're in Canada, right, Ryan? That's why. VIX, anybody? Yeah, no. The markets, no, we're not going to say that. How was the presentation? Bad. I had no idea what I was doing. Our numbers were wrong. Like, I didn't know what I was doing. Funny thing is, though, it was a finance class. I can explain a lot of things about like markets and stuff. But if you're like, you're going to need to calculate the net present value of all of this stuff, I'm like, why? Why? I don't care. Is that going to help me make money? No. Why am I doing this? They like, that's how all the classes are. I walk in there and I'm like, here we go. Bunch of wasted time. I told you guys about the bio stuff that I had to do, right? Where it's like, I have to take like these tests and like figure out what this leaf is. But then there's just a PowerPoint of like all the leaves and like the names of it with like pictures. So I'm playing a matching game essentially. Did you ever try out the squeeze momentum? Yeah, I did. It just literally kind of looks like MACD though. Like that's kind of, I was like like I had both of them up and it was like the same thing. So I think I took that off my trading view. Yeah, I don't have it anymore. Oh no, I do have it. It's just not here. Yeah, I don't want that. Hold on. EMA, where do I want it? Squeeze momentum, get out of here. RSI would be fun to mess around with. Yeah, I do have the R. So I basically just, hold on. This needs to look better. We cannot have it looking like this. All right. Now we're back to a decently looking chart on TradingView. Hold on. What? 369. What is that? We're having a seizure. All right. Calculate the IRR from the present value of future cash flows. I can do that. That's easy. The internal rate of return. That's like just plug and play in Excel. Good morning. Here you go. Looks like PTPI trying to break out, making some moves. PTPI. Oh boy, that is a pop right there. That is an absolute rip. SPY is just slowly moving down in the pre-market. We got 8 minutes left. Let's get excited, people. Let's have a good day. What did we want up here? Apple for a little bit. Tomorrow? What's tomorrow? 369? I don't know. 369 is tomorrow. I don't know what that is. Sorry, guys. I don't know what you're talking about there. 1.3 million shares borrowed against GME this morning. Yeah, let's check the Ortex on GME. How are they doing? GameStop. I'm buying PS5s with all the guap I got from GameStop. All right, here we go. Estimated short interest 12.54. Utilization 31.45. Cost to borrow pretty low. But again, you can't really take these numbers at face value. AMC 3110. SPY trying to make that move back up. Apple, what the hell was that? Mr. Fishing, what's going on, man? Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. Just helps get some more people in here. We're going to be on for a while today. Then we are going to come back on at 2 and go till market close. And then I'll probably hop on somebody else's stream and we'll listen to GameStop's earnings. I think TMI will probably be streaming it. SPY on the rise, boys. I mean, right now it's under these averages, so I wouldn't really – this would be puts right now with everything that it's saying. I think – Trading View's got, I mean, the super trend's got the sell rating on it. It's under the 200 EMA. Let's see what happens. A little bit bearish with the technicals going on SPY this morning. Let's see. Eric, what's up, man? Appreciate you too, man. Apple having supply chain issues. They also told everybody to make more. What is this? What is going on here? They're trying to sell it in the pre-market. Come on now. All right, SPY making a little bit of a move right here. AMC now down to 31, down 4 cents in the pre-market. Still very, very flat. GME up 0.66. Let's see what happens here. We got 6 minutes before the market opens. Let's do it. MRVL, I've heard of it. I haven't really looked too deep into it though. I see it now, upper left corner. Oh, on the grid? Yeah. Honestly, guys, I'm feeling all right today. Feeling a little bit better. I think streaming's going to help me feel a little bit better today. I think that's how we're going to do it. I think that's the move here. All right. 5 minutes, people. Here we go. SPY's trying to make a little move here. I mean, Apple coming back up. I just want Apple to just get a nice little pop. I'll take my money, and I will leave. All right, AMC popping back up. 3103. Here we go. Streaming is healing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, SPY's trying right now. Yeah, AMC very, very flat in the pre-market now. I'd love a post-MOAS party for apes. Me too. With the drop in RSI before market does the price action. I mean, the RSI is just going to tell you if a stock is currently oversold or overbought. I mean, I don't have RSI up on here. It'll kind of cluster up the chart. AMC flat now, 3104. You ever trade TLT options? I wish. If you guys know anything about TLT and you've seen it before, all right, hold on. I'll show you guys something really quick. This is the potential of TLT when stuff starts to freak out. I think it's, where is it? This right here. This move on TLT from 144 to 179, that's like 10,000% plus gains on that because TLT is not supposed to move. I wasn't around for this, but that's dirty. We could be seeing another TLT move too. So we'll see going into the Fed meeting. I'm going to need to phone a friend on that one, though. That's not going to be like a play that I can decide to make. How do the EVs look today? I don't know. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla flat. What else do we like? Lucid. How are we doing on Lucid? I mean, I don't have any position on Lucid, down 2.7. Yeah, Lucid's been struggling over the past week-ish. What else do we got? We got Lucid Rivian. Rivian's probably having a not fun time. Yeah, Rivian at 116. Interesting. We aren't Fortnite kids. We don't. What? Did they actually borrow another 1.3 million shares against GME? Oh, let's look. I don't see it. I see borrowed shares 99K. Yeah, I see 99,000 on GME. I mean, that would be 1/70th-ish of the float. That'd be crazy. All right, SPY doing its thing. Rivian, let's get Apple up here. We have 3 minutes till the market opens. Let's get excited, people. Ooh, Apple doing its thing. Here we go. Watch PayPal. Share the TLT play with us. Yeah, I will, but it won't be mine. Like if you guys want to learn about like TLT and stuff, go to the Stock Market Live YouTube channel and the Trading Fraternity. It's the same guy with 2 separate channels. That's where you'll be able to get the TLT play. I mean, I could probably figure it out, but I won't know the direction of it if TLT is going to come down or up. So I'd probably get a strangle on it just in case. So play both ways. That's what I would do. But ooh, Apple getting a little jumpy. Who's Marshmallow? Let's see. All right. I'm going to follow you and take the responsibility of said entry. Don't follow me. Don't do that. Maybe I won't tell you now. I think I will be setting up a Discord though over break. So if you guys do want to get in there, well, it'll just literally just be like a trading group where we just go over ideas. I'm not going to be like telling everybody exactly what I'm getting all the time, but I'll go over like my ideas and why I'm doing what I'm doing. And we can talk about a lot of other stuff too in there. I mean, what like with my SPY trades, I just like SPY because it's like bonds, global news, and econ, and some technicals. They're trying to short AMC, right? I mean, we got 1 minute till the market opens. We got Apple coming up. We got SPY coming up, and we have AMC coming down a little bit, down 0.29%. Let's get GME over here. Actually, let's take a look at AMD first. How's AMD doing? AMD up a little bit. Gonna need a lot more out of you today, though, buddy. Let's see. GME. All right, market open. Ding, ding, ding. Here we go, people. SPY coming up. Apple coming up. Here we go. Let's see what the SPY gives us today. Not too crazy on it right now. It's at 468.72. AMC 3083 down a little bit right now. Apple selling a little bit. GameStop coming up. SPY doing its thing. Let's see what happens here, everybody. Thanks. I'm old enough to make my own bad decisions. Yeah. Yo, STV, the TLT is tanking. Oh, is it? Is it now? TLT getting some red candles. I mean, a little bit. Everybody was saying TLT to 150 recently. Let's see. SPY's getting a big red here. AMC coming down 30.50, 30.63. We're seeing a little bit of volatility right now. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see what TradingView is giving us. Wait, why does it have a buy and a sell on this thing? It's got the sell on it, but let's see. Hold on. Where can I get a shiny VIX? Yeah. All right. SPY coming down. Apple trying to make its move way back up. TLT trying to make that move up. SPY is moving down. It's very, very flat, though. Nothing really happening. AMC 30.71. Apple not doing a whole lot. Very, very flat. All right. These SPY is coming down now. TLT is coming up. AMC doing its thing right around 30.76. I don't know. It's looking a little bearish today at the open. Here we go. Might be a SPY put day, everybody. Let's see. Let's give it a little bit because this literally could just be a little bit of selling and then we just move back to the upside. It's down 0.07%. Very, very flat right now on the SPY. Nothing really moving. TLT's not doing a whole lot. AMC's hanging out right here. Apple is coming down. Borrowed 5 million shares today on Stonko Tracker, and they might have. I mean, Stonko Tracker is just I borrowed, or what do you call it? I think it's getting its data from Interactive Brokers. All right, let's see. SPY coming back up. Apple trying to make that move. AMC coming down. TLT coming down. All right, Apple just flashed green. What's AMD up to? AMD down. All right, TLT is coming down now, so watch for a little move out of the SPY. What are we going to need to get it to see a buy indication over here? About, hold on, let's see, about 468.66. So another 30 cents on the SPY will trick the super trend into saying buy. Do I ever bell to bell stream? No, I take a little bit of a break during the day. All right, AMD is coming down right now. I might ditch these. I mean, the apples are still up right now. What's Apple up to? Huh. All right. SPY's trying to make that move back to the upside. AMC coming back. Ooh. AMC down 2% right now. TLT is coming down. SPY is trying. It's doing its best. Short interest going to be at like 25% soon on AMC. Yeah. Got faith we're going to have another green day. That would be great. Oh, would I ever bell to bell stream? Yeah, we could do it. Maybe on Fridays. All right. SPY just went into the green. We're going to need Apple to get some bullish momentum here. Same thing with AMC. Let's see what we got. I mean, I'm still green on Apple right now, just not very green. I'm going to need Apple to get some bullish momentum here. SPY is trying. It's not necessarily... Where's the 200? All right, so SPY is going to need to get to above 468.79 to get above that 200 EMA. All right, here we go, people. I have my SPY 463. Hope they hit today. I have those too, but they're literally just a hedge if we really start to get going to the downside. That's what they're there for. Honestly, I might take these apples and just run. I don't know. I'm going to leave them. Apple has the potential to really get going, so let's see what happens. TLT coming down. Whoever was saying TLT to 150 recently, I mean, it's getting there. It's moving on down. All right. Come on, Apple. Do your thing, buddy. AMC coming down 30.24. Let's see. NVIDIA. How's NVIDIA doing? Down a little bit, but trying to get some bullish momentum here. Down about 1%. AMC coming down still 30.20. Where's GME at? TLT trying to move. GME down 2.7 right now. What? 173 flat. SPY not doing a whole lot. NVIDIA's coming back up. What's AMD up to now with all of that? AMD getting that pop here. Not bad. Mostly listening today. Can you yell out the price action more often for us audio listeners? Yes, I can. So AMC right now is at 30.10, down 2.8% right now. The SPY is trying to move back up. GME is at 174.06. Apple is getting some action here. Here we go. I mean, geez, those Apple contracts just spiked. Wow, that was big. That was a big move on Apple there on those contracts. Whew. Wow. I mean, I do have a lot of money in those contracts, so that does make sense. But, oh, shoot. I forgot to do this yesterday. My mouse died. So we're going to have to hang out here for a little bit and watch. All right. Apple's getting some action here. We've got SPY hanging out at 468.26. It is getting some bullish momentum here, guys. And then we've got AMC at 20. It's at 30 flat right now. It's trying to fight at that $30 level. Let's see. Can you look at BKKT? Yeah, I can. I just got to charge the mouse for a little bit. Steps up, elevator down. Yeah. All this won't keep up. Yeah, I don't think it will either. Let's see. I mean, we are coming into GME's earnings, so let's see what happens here. SPY just went a little bit red. We got Apple at 172.04. Wow, these apples are really crushing it right now. Jeez. All right, hold on. Mouse connected. All right, we got Apple 171.95. I'll pull up AMC right here, trying to get back up so we can see it, and I'll charge the mouse over here. Drop some likes for VIX. Thank you, first edition Shiny VIX. I appreciate it, man. You were talking about Intel yesterday. Do you see them turning things around over the next few years or no? I just personally don't. I have never really seen Intel perform very well on earnings. So if you guys know, I love to trade earnings. When we get into earnings season again, we are going to have some fun. But Intel is one of those companies that I will always play on their actual event, and I'll always strangle it. But I always gear more towards puts on Intel because they have the potential to just tank on earnings. But let's see. SCV, I went into SPY. Let's see what happens. Ryan, which direction did you pick, buddy? I think SPY is going to be a little bit choppy today, a little volatile. All right, those AMD contracts just went red. What's SPY at? SPY is flat, 0.1% in the red, 467.75. It is getting some selling volume here, though. So is AMC. So are a lot of things right now. SPY is starting to come down. Let's see. GME earnings time. It's probably 4:30 or 5. Still have 5 free, 175 Apple calls for 12.17 at 68. There you go. And now it's not looking good. Yeah. So, I mean, I might get into some SPY puts here. Hold on. Let me come over here for a second. Yeah, this does say puts for today. Let's see. I'll do a little YOLO SPY put just to mess around. The technicals say it's going down, but I don't know. Let's see. Oh, these contracts are so cheap. Hold on. What are we looking at here? Apple, how are we doing? Apple is holding up very, very, very well right now. This is great. AMC at 30. SPY coming back up a little bit. I don't know. These moves aren't that big on SPY. So they may look big on how we're looking at it, but they're really not that big. Hold on. I want to have AMC up here when we're doing this. All right. AMC 29.97. Damn, these Apple contracts are hitting up 73% right now. I will take it. AMC just chilling right around that $30 mark, 29, 94, 96, 97. It's just kind of bouncing around, down 3.5% right now. Let's see if we can get a little bit more bullish momentum. But again, GME, AMC selling off into earnings. Let's see. My UVixie is moving up. Yeah. SPY, what are we doing here? SPY is trying to make a move back to the upside. It's not doing a whole lot today. So the volatility on SPY is not really there right now. So I'll wait on it. What's the RSI on SPY? Like, hold on. I'll tell you right now. It's like, hold on. It's like, it's pretty much right in the middle. All right, AMC coming back up, 3017. Here we go, everybody. Hold on, I'm trying to like charge my mouse because it got messed up. All right, AMC getting some moves here. Here we go. 30.27, only down about 80, 90 cents right now. Apple making a move here. SPY is coming back up into the green, but it is very, very flat right now. I'm not really seeing a whole lot of things that I want to do on SPY right now. So I'm going to let these apples go, see what happens if SPY really starts to pick a direction. But again, it's inside the VWAP, the 50, the 100, and the 200 right now. It's probably right around the 200 EMA as well. So I'm not touching it. But AMC is trying to come back up. Let's see what happens here. We got a little bit of a morning sell-off, and now we are up to 30.32, down 2.2%, down 60, 70 cents right now. It is getting a little volatile. Apple is really going for it right now. Here we go. Ryan says the calls are coming back. There you go, buddy. Yeah, right now I wouldn't take anything, but all right. Gio, if you're in these apples, got that early dip in PayPal. There you go, buddy. All right, AMC 30.24 doing all right. I mean, struggling a little bit today, but what's Apple at? Are these contracts in the money yet? Really, really close to being in the money. Oh, they're flickering around. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to hold these apples. I might make them free at one point. They're up 85% right now. My AMDs are up 20%, and my YOLO SPY put is down 67%. So here is essentially what we're looking at here and what I did for yesterday. So this strategy makes sense. I had a decent amount of money on Apple and AMD. I wanted to hold them, but I didn't want to be overly bullish and not protect myself going into today because anything could happen. So what I did was I bought 3 of the SPY 463s puts in order to hedge. So if AMD and Apple had a bad day and SPY really came to the downside, well, I'd make some money back and counteract the loss with those puts. That's literally what I did. It's not like a hard thing to do. I just said, okay, well, if the contracts get close to the money on these SPYs, then it's probably going to help out the loss that I would be taking on Apple. But if the market starts to go up, like we're seeing here, and Apple and AMD start to go, well, then I'll make way more money than the loss that I'm going to have on those puts expiring worthless. M. Kriegs is up 14% on BFRI. Jeez. M. Kriegs, you're wild. It looks like it could get a little action here. All right, AMC 30.24. SPY is hanging around VWAP right now. GME at 173.82. All right, I want Apple at 175. That's where I want Apple. AMD, I want you all to do well. Yeah, I want AMD to do well as well. How are they doing right now? I mean, these apples are basically in the money right now. That's very nice. AMD, there you go. I'm going to need a big move on AMD, though, to have these contracts really get going, which would be nice. But all right, AMC selling off a little bit here. We got 30.07. We got the SPY just not doing anything. Let's get TLT up here, too, to see what the bond market's doing. TLT not doing a whole lot. So the volatility is really not here today right now. SPY is very, very flat. Very, very flat. Go away, green candles on TLT. Yeah. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. Just helps get some more people in here. We're going to be on until about 11:30, 11:45, and then we will come back on at 2. So you're going to be seeing a lot of me today. And I think you guys made me feel a little bit better. It's just my voice is being an a-hole right now. Oh, Apple. There we go, buddy. Come on, SPY. Get above these averages right here. Get above this 200, and you can have a free reign. AMC 30-10 right now. Not doing too bad. VIX, when does the Fed speak? Are they talking again today? Or where's suit? Nah, no suit today. Apple 175 would be a perfect storm. Yeah, I think it can do it too. That's where I want it. I think if the market starts to get going today in the upward direction, Apple can get to 175 this week. Did you run through the rain again? Mark. No, I woke up. I was feeling sick and I was sweating. That's what happened. I did not run through the rain again. All right. Apple's selling a little bit here. TLT. I mean, it's coming back up to VWAP. So let's see what happens with the SPY. SPY's just trapped in this range right here. If we can break out of this range and really start to get going today, then we can maybe take something. But right now it's like, who cares? All right. How are the AMDs doing? AMD's doing pretty good. Hold on. MCRE, morning briefing. Oh, MCRE, thank you. All right. Pfizer, Treasury market has a modest reaction to Pfizer news. 10-year yield is down 1 basis point, 1.47. Yeah, I don't think they're speaking today. MCRE, do you know if Powell's making any statements today? Does anybody know if the Fed is speaking today? Because I know next week, 14th and 15th, are going to be big. We're going to be streaming that, and we're going to really – PayPal's good, Gio. PayPal doing? Ooh, PayPal's getting some action here. Actually, I actually do like this. I mean, I'd get like the one. PayPal usually gets a little expensive. So I don't know. PayPal, I don't have a very good track record with PayPal this year. I've hit some big plays on it, but other than that, no. Better get that drive-through. No, I'm fine. They're meeting with crypto today. Ah, that's what it was. No, Harry Ape, I'm good. They are speaking today? All right. Well, we're going to need a time for that because Powell's going to be saying some wild stuff again. All right. See if I can find this. Calendar. Wednesday, 12. No, I need 12/8. That's what I want. 12/8. Commercial paper at 1. No, nothing really today. Board of the Governors of the Federal Reserve. Yeah, I don't see anything crazy today. You got the 197.5s. There you go. AMC Ortex. Yeah, we can do that. What's Apple doing? Oh, Apple, you dirty dog. Apple Ortex. Why would I want to do that? I want AMC's Ortex. All right, here we go. 19.12% estimated short interest, utilization 77.3. That's going to stay the same all day. So the only number that we're really going to see change today is the estimated short interest. But again, 19.2 or 12 right here is going to stay pretty much the same. Ooh, AMC is getting a little bit of bullish momentum here. Gio, you're getting it on those PayPals right now, buddy. House passes, defense bill. Yeah, I don't. Let's see. SPY flat. PayPal doing good. I don't know, Gio. I might have to hop in to some of these PayPal. AMC coming back up. Hold on. What do we got for PayPal? How are the premiums over here? I don't know. Is there any news on PayPal? Because it's looking like it wants to get going. Yeah, hold on. We're going to do this, and then we're going to check the news. Yeah, I don't like that. Hold on. Oh, AMC getting a little bit of a boom boom candle right here. Here we go. All right, here we go. Oh, Apple. Oh, Apple. There we go. AMC only down 1.9 right now, looking to make that move back above 31. Remember, 31.50 is going to be that test today. So let's see if we can get above there. Apple's getting a real big move here. Here we go, people. What do you think of the 5-minute on ATER? Let me take a look. Period. 5-minute. So early in the market, the 5 minute is like kind of difficult to really look at stuff on. I mean, it's kind of finding support at VWAP right now. Let's see if it can get that move back up. Apple is getting some wildly bullish momentum here. This is very, very nice. How did I type in AMC over here? AMD. AMD getting a pop, pop, pop. Let's get PayPal up here too. Oh, there you go. AMC trying to make that move here, people. SPY is getting up here. Ryan, if SPY gets above this 200 MA, then it's gonna be like free to run. 230 Fed speak. All right, Apple RSI cool off, then erupt. Hey, I'm down for these eruptions. Let's see how much these Apple contracts are up now. They're probably up insane amounts. How did that happen? Am I down on the what? All right. Ooh, Apple 120% right now. I'll take it. I will take it. We're gonna let these ride for a little bit too. All right, AMC really, it's only down 1% right now. It's really trying to make a move back above 31. Here we go, people. All right, Ryan, here comes the SPY for you. Here comes the SPY. All right, SPY is getting going here. Is there any news that's coming out? Credit Suisse boost 44 minutes ago. Credit Suisse boost S&P target to 5,200, looking to strong economic growth. I mean, I don't agree with this, but at the same time, give us those price target upgrades and we'll rip. Let's see. Here we go. All right, boom goes the SPY. Yeah, it's up above. So right now, this is what we need to see. This range that we always see, if it's going to use the upper level as support, then it could really start to get going. I mean, what's Apple doing right now? It's chilling. Oh, AMC boom boom candle. Here we go. Here we go, people. 31 flat or basically flat on the day. We're at 31 right now on AMC. Let's get some bullish momentum out of the market, and AMC is going to get going here, people. Here we go. Here we go. I want 500% on Apple at 391% right now. There you go. I'm at 100% on my apples, which is pretty nice. It's coming back down a little bit. The SPY is looking like it just kind of wants to chill here for a bit. If it gets a little bit more bullish momentum, we could see Apple and SPY really start to get going. But AMC, very, very flat on the day right now, chilling out around 31. Let's see if we can test that 3150 and really get going. Yeah, that was a big boom, boom candle there. All right, SPY hanging out, PayPal coming down. All righty, here we go. Here we go, people. Yeah, SPY looks, hold on, let me see what we got over here. So SPY is now above the, SPY is now, all right. So SPY is now above the 200 EMA. The super trend saying buy. The MACD just flipped, and it is going to get going here, people. Let's see if Apple's going to get some too. Come on, Amy. How's IWM doing? Prague going. There we go. Oh, IWM coming up here. Same thing with SPY. Here we go. I mean, like this SPY setup right here a little bit. I'm probably not going to do anything SPY today, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, I'm just like, what's it up now? See, the SPY's up 0.2%. Like, that's nothing. IWM's up 0.63. Not bad. STV got the 471 for 33. The daily. Oh, you're down a little bit, but those could come back. I mean, it's looking good right now. All right, Amy chilling out right around a couple of these averages. Again, same thing on AMC. We break above here, it uses its support. Everything starts to curl up. We could really get going. All right, SPY just fell below the 200. Cue up eruption. Yeah, I'd love to see it. Oh, that's a dirty candle on the SPY. That was a dirty candle on the SPY. Uh-oh. Squeeze the blank out of it before Christmas. Yeah, that would be sweet. All right, how are these Apples and AMDs doing? How are these AMDs down that much right now? How does that work? All right, SPY. What are you going to do here? All right, AMC 3075, not doing too bad. Apple contract still in the money, doing good here. 80%. I'll take it. I mean, might as well. I think we got more. I think we got more room to run on Apple. So let's see. I'll hold these for a little bit. What year is it? 2021. Roku up 12%. Oh man. Roku premiums are usually insane. All right. SPY coming back down a little bit here. Again, it's still green. Not doing a whole lot though. AMC hanging out at 3067. Here we go. Apple, I'm going to need some more boom boom candles out of you. Window dressing place? What are you talking about? Is Roku really gone? Roku announced a partnership. I have a Roku right over here. Yeah, Roku up 12. Oh, nice little 3,400% on Roku's option chain. Congrats to anybody that was playing those. SPY coming down. Apple holding up nicely. Let's see here. DME 172.44. What do we got going on Pfizer? Because Pfizer was looking for it. Yeah, Pfizer not doing a whole lot today. All right, Amy at 3073. Really not doing a whole lot here. Here we go. Do you have any vids on option trades? I mean, from a while ago, but they're not good videos. So, I mean, I can make some more. I have a couple on the earnings strategy where they're pretty good. All right, Pfizer coming down. Apple holding really, really good. Like really good here. With the SPY move right here, it does not want to come down. Yeah, Apple wants it. Apple really wants it. If we get any more bullet, like look at this. This is just a BS move on the SPY. Like up, down, same difference. We're still at the same spot. Amy. Yeah, Pfizer is coming down right now. I don't necessarily know why that would be. I mean, interesting. All right. How's Prague doing? What's Prague up to right now? Green volume candles on AMC. Yeah, we need some of those. If we squeeze before Christmas, I'm running away so I don't have to do Christmas. Why? There we go on Apple. Prague down 0.73. Amy looking for that push above 31 right here. Here we go. Come on. We need a couple of more good candles out of Amy here. SPY coming down. Apple coming up. Man, if this was a green day right now on the SPY right now, Apple would be like ripping. Let's see, though. What are we doing on the SPY today? Nothing right now. It's not really picking a direction. Look at this. It's just bouncing around in these ranges, and the range isn't that big. It's 467.50 to 469.29. That's not that big. That's not a range that's not, I mean, I'm just more focused on the trades that I already have out. So let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Damn you, SPY. It's not doing anything. It's just hanging out. She's just chilling. 30.55. I mean, SPY's flat today. Like literally flat right now. So let's see. You have 2 SPY calls for 470. Texter. I mean, those could hit, but you got to be careful. Like, I'm not doing anything right now. I mean, the Apples are absolutely crushing it. So if Apple gets back up to the new day high again, I'm out. I'll take that gain. Maybe cup and handle forming on AMC. Yeah, it could be right here. If it starts to come, it could really get going. 30.60 right now. SPY's trying to come back. Apple trying to get up there. Prague is down 0.67. If there's anything else you guys want me to look at too, let me know. And then we'll pull up AMC's Ortex right now. Honestly, guys, I'm feeling a lot better right now. Like I'm feeling good. Feeling real good right now. AMC's estimated short interest, 19.11%. 600,000 shares borrowed, 239,000 return. Wait, hold on. Is this is AMC, right? Yeah, this is AMC. All right. SPY's trying, but it's just getting knocked down at VWAP. So let's see. BKKT. Yeah, let's get some balked over here. Ooh, up 6. There you go. Funko. We could do Funko. Could I check out DraftKings? Yeah, I can. Oh, AMC. Here we go. Boom, boom candle. Come on now. Come on now. SPY's starting to come up too, back above VWAP and that 50 MA. Let's see if it can hold. AMC looking for that push back above 31. Again, this is it's a very chill day so far in the broad market. So let's see. Bank of Canada overnight rate unchanged at 0.25. Yeah, nothing going on here. All right. Apple contracts back above 105%. Let's see. SPY wants it. Let's see. The MACD looking like wants to cross. Let's see. Charge point. Yeah, we can do that. Does GameStop still exist? Haven't heard the words yet. Yeah. What are you talking about? We've been talking about GameStop all this morning. They have earnings after hours. That's going to be an interesting. It's going to be a very, very interesting day with GameStop's earnings. Let's see. AMC coming back up. Come on now, buddy. All right. We're going to need a little SPY breakout here. Some buyers to step in. How's TLT looking? Is TLT down near 150? Yeah. Okay. So TLT is slowly coming down. That would say that would typically say SPY would start to move up, but we need a big move out of TLT to really move the SPY. Like we need TLT to really start to come down and then SPY can really get going. But come on, Amy, get back above 31. Come on. Come on now. What up, Shorty? Crazy price action. Woohoo. Let's go. Yes, sir. It's short interest still going up. Yeah. Apple, get back above 173. Come on. I know you want to do it. How's AMD doing? AMD busted me up right now. Wow. Again, busted. All right, here we go. All right, Amy, come on. One nice big eruption boom boom candle is what we need here. TLT's at 150? Nah, 150.12. Here comes SPY. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Woohoo! Boom, incoming. Yeah, it's looking like it wants to go. A little cup and handle here. Come on, get up there. Oh, SPY coming up. Here we go. Here we go. TLT coming down a little bit. We need it to erupt. Higher lows on the SPY. Yeah. Yeah, it wants to get going, but I think it's going to be a pretty flat day overall unless some news comes out. Oh, here we go, Apple. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Get back up to that high. Get back up there. Come on. All right, Amy at 30.66, not doing too bad. TLT coming down. It's looking pretty good right now, everybody. I love when you sing that song. Why? I don't know why. Eric says boom incoming 3, 2, 1. I mean, it's booming in the other direction right now. I need Apple. All right. I think we're gonna hit a good one on Apple, like a real good one. I need AMD to stop being a little weenie. I'm down horrendously. Just kidding. It's like 43%. Nice. Apples are up 100-something% though. Not too shabby. All right. What do we got here? Come on, Apple. You can do it. Just boom. All right, SPY. Do your thing. Get up there. SPY's not really looking to do a whole lot. AMC just kind of hanging out here. 30.69. Why do you call AMC Amy? Because that's my girl. Hood is almost in the teens? No. No, it's not. Oh, what are the puts looking like on Hood? Are they up decent? I mean, they're up all right. There comes Apple. SPY gets a green candle here. Apple's going to go BS. What's with all the talk on Apple? I just have calls. That's it. 3061. I think I told you guys about that yesterday, that I got the Apple calls. Well, hold on. Are we back? Hold on. I just got a weird notice. Are we back? Hold on, everybody. It just glitched out, I think, for a second. Are we back here? Are we good? All right, we're back. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. You left? No, I just got a weird flash on the YouTube part where it was like you're offline, and I was like, what? M. Kriegs. I mean, these contracts expire like this week. I'm probably getting out of most of my Apple contracts today. So, I mean, they're up 140% right now. So I'll freaking take it. How much are these right now? I might sell two of them. I mean, I think Apple's hitting 175. So those are going BS right now. Never left. LGVN Moonshot. TBS the SPY is not doing anything, but it might fall. Yeah, I mean, it's trying to get back above some of these levels right here. Apple's doing great. What's Robinhood? Bouncing a little bit. AMC, come on, get back above that 31. Breakout incoming now. Yeah. Oh, nice. I'm actually green on all these positions now if I took all of it. Nice. Actually, not anymore. How's AMD doing? Trying. All right. AMC at 30.82 right now. SPY is trying to get a little bit of a move here. Apple doing its thing. Let's see. Amy, that's my girl. You share that girl? Yeah, I do. Amy's the one girl that I share. All right. AMC coming back up. Come on, 31. Come on, 31. Let's go. Come on. 30.93, 30.94, 97, 98. Come on, Amy. Come on, Amy. Citadel says if you pull, you can never reinvest again. Well, here's the thing about that. They are closed to outside money right now. So if you leave and then try to come back, well, they're closed to outside money. So they just wouldn't let you back in because they're not taking any outside money. SPY, stop being a little idiot. All right, Amy trying to get back above 31. Eskimo Bros. It glitched us for a second. Yeah, sorry. Amy popping. Let's have a good day. Yes, sir. Let's do it. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. It just helps get some more people in here. So thank you guys who have already done that and who are going to. Helps out a whole lot. Yeah, nothing really on the SPY today. I might ditch these apples soon. I think your webcam is wonky. I can only make out this weird looking ball of hair on the screen. Chaz, stop. Leave me alone. All right, SPY coming down. AMD coming down. Apple saying, screw you. I'm going to do what I want. Amy at 30.85, down 0.61. How's GME doing? GME down 2.37, leading into earnings at 173.55. Dude, thanks for being live here and give me some chill for my nerves and questions. Anytime, Jonas. How sour is Kenny being, or is he over leveraged and scared? Most likely wildly over leveraged. All right, GME, get back above 174. Amy's looking for that push above 31. Imagine having enough money to short all stocks plus indexes. Kind of sad that money is power. Yeah. Look at the George W coming for GME. Yeah, I see it right here. Amy's trying. Come on, Apple. I do like the apples right now. Having fun. Sir, do you know the next earnings day for AMC? Not yet. It'll probably be, I mean, we just had it. So SV, I just wanted to say that you're the best live streamer for audio listeners. Thank you. Anytime, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to touch SPY today. unless something crazy happens. Nancy Pelosi portfolio tracker and trial tracker have both been banned on Twitter. No, that's annoying. Those were good accounts. I was following both of those accounts. All right, SPY trying to make a move back up. So is Apple. Let's see. AMC at 30.94. It's really trying to get above 31 right here. Come on. Come on. Let's get some basketballs in the chat right now. Let's bounce Amy back up above 31. Come on. Oh, it just did it. Here we go. Here we go, everybody. Come on, Amy. Get back to the green. Next earnings for AMC is March. Yeah. Well, yeah. That sounds far. Market is not moving. It's very, very slow today. We got some winners, some losers right here, but nothing's really happening right now. Like it's flat right now. SPY is very, very flat. IWM's up a little bit more, I believe. I think IWM was decently in the green. Now IWM right now is up 0.11. Amy trying to get that move back above 31 again. Let's see. For real, you can tell SCV is genuine. That's why I'm here every day. Number letters. Thank you, man. Vix, I could listen to you call a hermit crab race. Thank you. According to Fidelity, next AMC earnings is 3/8/2022. Interesting. All right. If these Apple contracts make me over $500, I'll sell them. I'll sell 2 of them. But we're going to need it to get going. Because freaking... Oh, PayPal coming back up. There we go. Not getting as annihilated on those. Sorry, took you Angel number 44 likes to 445. Thank you. Amy trying to break the 200 EMA on the daily thoughts. Where is it? I mean, this is the 200 MA. I don't think it's the EMA though. Let me look. Yeah, I mean, it just broke it. I have it up on TradingView. It just broke it. So let's see. 31.97. Apple coming up. Apple being a little bitch. LGVN getting squeezed. Interesting. Hold on. I'll throw some money at LGVN. And it's looking like it could do a decent move here. I might take a shot at that one. Might as well. Might as well. All right. They don't have a chain, I don't think, which I don't like. Like, I don't like not trading options on something. SPY, very, very flat. Amy trying to get above that 31. Again, very slow day in the markets right now. Be patient. PayPal is coming back. Oh, Gio, I'm learning to be patient. You should do a collab with Keenan. You guys are my favorites. We've done it before. I'm going to try to get him back on again. Here we go. Apple new day highs. That is beautiful to see right now. Come on. All right. Do we get greedy? I think we get greedy, right? We got to get greedy. Like, we got to get really greedy today, right? Like, super greedy. Like, because I'm gonna need to make up some of these AMD losses and these SPY put losses. So I think I should just get really, really greedy. Oh, Amy, boom, boom candle. Here we go, people. 31.16, up 0.3% right now. Let's see if we can make that move back up to 31.50. Come on, let's do it. Go Apple, bliss. I think you're still in that one, right? There we go. All right, Apple's up 152%. There we go. All right. LGVN coming back down. How's TLT looking? Wow, TLT coming down. TLT now below 150. Oh, Apple. There we go. Those are some big boom booms on Apple. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on now. That's what we want to see. Amy, 3108. SPY coming back up. TLT coming down. It is looking like some bullishness is happening today. Kurt, thank you so much for that super chat, man. I really appreciate it. Who did you say was not accepting outside money? Citadel. A lot of these large funds and institutions, they close themselves off because, one, they probably have too many assets under management. So when you have that much money, it's really, really hard to deploy it all into investments that are going to be able to generate some sort of return. Like, if you have $1,000 account, you can just YOLO on options and not move markets and be pretty much fine. But if you have like a couple $billion, that is very, very hard to space out. So some of their strategies will work with like $5 billion, but it won't work with like $50 billion. So they close off the outside money and then they just they just hang. That's kind of what they do. TLT still coming down. SPY getting a little bit of a red candle here. Apple taking a little bit of a breather, but Amy still above 31 and in the green. This is a good thing to see. Kurt, thank you though for that super. I appreciate it, man. LGV and Ortex, please. Yeah, I can get that going for you. Bone Deveron. All right, here we go. We got what? 86.5% estimated short interest. That is drunk. Ham, you bought. Oh my God, that is wild. You're a wild boy, Ham. Oh, Amy, boom, boom candles. Here we go. Let's get that move back up to 31.50. Here we go. We hit the high of 31.30. We saw that in the pre-market. Let's see if we can break above there and really get going. But we are above a couple of these averages right now, and that is usually a good thing to see if we're going to start moving to the upside. Apple crushing it right now. I think these Apple contracts are really great. Having a good time with those. TLT making a move up here. The watch SPY come down. Amy 31.12 here. Here we go. I've been trying to tell you about LGV and Ortex. Yeah, I mean, what are they doing right now? It could just bounce right off VWAP and just go nuts. But again, remember, just because it has a high short interest doesn't necessarily mean it's going to rip. Apple consolidating right here for another move up. That would be sweet. Come on, SPY. Get a little. Ooh, Amy with a boom boom here. Come on now. They expire today too. Ham, you're just YOLOing over here. All right, AMC new day high. 31.36. Here we go. Longeveron. All right, Longeveron just hit VWAP. Bouncing back up a little bit. Apple coming down. SPY coming down a little bit. Let's see what happens over here. AMC, come on now. Doing all right. Let's get GME up here. See how they're doing. Yeah, Ham is wild. You're a wild boy. All right, 175 basically on GME. AMC trying to make that new day high at 31.36. It's currently at 31.27. SPY basically just trapped in its range. We're going to see a little bit of a break in order to get these Apple contracts going a little bit more, but I don't know. Let's see. Up 150%. Nice. I might take the apples. I don't know. Let's see. Could AERC rip? What's AERC? Aero clean. Oh, air purifier. Yeah, I think we've brought this one up before. It's like the air purifiers. All right, Apple coming down. SPY is moving up here. Interesting. Let's see if Amy. There you go. All right, that might be it for Apple today. If SPY's starting to move back up and Apple's going to keep coming down, that might be it. Apple a day keeps the hedgies away. Yeah, Amy came out to play today. She's been shy. Yeah, 31.25 right now on Amy. I don't know. Let's see what happens on Apple. I'm going to hold these for a little bit. Still doing good. Still up 143%. So I'll take that. Let's see. Oh, boom, boom here. Let's see that test of 31.50. Here we go, Amy. Up 1.22%, 31.43 right now. It is looking like it wants to play. Here we go. Here we go. SPY coming up a little bit too. We're looking for that next break up of Apple. It is coming down a little bit though. AMD not really doing a whole lot. Let's see. Amy, get above that 31.50 and let's get to Fun Town. Here we go. What about Prague? Yeah, I'll put Prague up here. Prague doing good. Apple coming back up. Amy 31.40 basically right now. SPY doing its thing. Apple trying to make that move. Here we go. How's your morning, my guy? What's for breakfast? I didn't eat any breakfast today. I am kind of sick, but honestly, I'm feeling a lot better now. So let's see what happens. They don't want Amy above 31.50. No, they don't. Yeah, hold on. SPY just went red, but it's basically flat. Apple's saying, screw you, I'm going up. There you go. Prague making that move to the upside. Here we go. Here we go. How did the presentation go yesterday? It wasn't good. Well, your hair looks great. I think you're lying to me. Thank you, though, attendees. No, I don't have the C word. I highly doubt it. I don't have the stomach flu. I just have a cold, guys. That's literally what it is. Oh, Apple. There you go, you dirty dog. All right, AMC 31.40. We're making some money here. SPY's just hanging out in this range. I'm not going to mess around with SPY today. I don't think. Prague, a 0.73. Apple doing its thing. Here we go, everybody. Good morning, Jack. Thank you. He has Goku hair today. Leave me alone, guys. You're being so mean. Just kidding. I don't care. AMD coming back a little bit. That's what we like to see. Come on. We need Amy above 31.50. That's, oh, look at this giant candle off Apple here. That's nice. That was like another $50 on those contracts. 50 to $100. There you go. SPY looking like it wants to go. Apple. There we go. If you guys want me to shut up about Apple, let me know. But we did talk about that trade yesterday and exactly why I was doing it. It was that 170 breakout. And then we got some good news. Then people are saying there's some bad news on it, which I don't know. It's going good. Nah, Ham, I'm fine. This isn't even his final form. Now we know you're focused. When we squeeze, you'll be running the class. Yeah. Glizzy said, telling me to shut up. All right. Oh, all right. Let's get GME back up here. Oh, no, pump Apple. I can't do that. I can't pump anything. Keep going. We don't know. Amy is the main boo. Oh, yeah. Amy is doing good today. Well, up a percent right now. Apple's looking for that break back above 174. SPY is coming up. We got GME at 175.24. Overall, very good day right now. Your Applejack. I don't mind hearing about Apple. There we go. Watch SNDL come January. There you go. You stream. You do your stream. Do you, bro? Yeah. I mean, we're all just trying to make money here. That's what we're doing. I mean, we got Amy doing good today. We got GME down a little bit ahead of their earnings. We got the SPY just messing around in that little range. But if the SPY gets any bullish momentum, Apple to 175. Calling it. Check your Twitter real quick. Is it the same name? All right, let's check Twitter. I haven't really talked about much today. Pfizer, Moderna announced the 170. I think that's a joke. PFE CEO has to investigate if a fourth shot is needed. Oh, my God. All right. Yeah. All right, here we go. 34.21 end of the day says AMC 8. There you go, my man. That would be sweet. Oh, Apple, you dirty dog. Here we go. All right. AMC coming back down a little bit. 31.19, 31.18. Apple moving back up. New day highs at 174.22. I'm still calling for Apple 175 this week. The stock Twitter. Yeah. Yeah, I usually don't mess around with Twitter. Their premiums are a little weird, and they usually do just like weird things. Oh my Apple, Jesus. Yeah, I usually don't mess around with them. I just don't. I think there's other social media companies that are just better, like Snap. What do we want? GME. That's what we want down here. Oh my God. All right, Amy. We have not seen a test of 31.50 yet today. We are looking for it, though. AMC volume picking up. Yeah, a little bit, not much. Oh, right around here, it started to pick up, but let's see. We're going to need that 31.50 test. SPY coming up. There we go. Ham, I mean, your contracts might just be getting killed by theta, but I hope you're doing all right, buddy. SV is going to be dreaming of Apple tonight. I mean, once I sell out of it, I'll be fine. I've hit some wild Apple trades recently. Like Apple's been the company I think I've made the most percentage gain on recently. All right, Amy. Come on. 3150. That's what we want out of you. We want Amy 3150. Come on. Here we go. Above 3140. Here we go. I love Ham. Guys, when AMC squeezes, just right. I'm still in or I'm still holding. The FUD is going to be real when it starts going. Ah, that's true. Oh, we crossed it. 3156. We're chilling at 3150 right now. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Is this going to be the test that finally does it for us and we can get running here? Let's see. If we get a candle that closes above and we start to get back up, that could be very, very, very sweet. Yeah, we just crossed it. We're down below it right now, but let's see what happens. SPY, little red candle. GME 175.29, not doing too bad. AMC ripping. Yeah, it's doing pretty good right now. Apple just slowly stair-stepping its way to the freaking moon. Check out DWAC. Yeah, how's DWAC doing? Are they ripping again? Whack. DWAC up 4. Ooh, wow. That's a giant move right there. Jeez. Wow. DWAC going. AMC trying to get that second test. Here we go. Colton, thank you so much for the super. I really appreciate it, man. I have $21 puts on Hood for Friday again. How's the setup look for you? Let's see. I mean, Hood's basically in the teens. When did you buy? Oh, we're coming back up a little bit here. I mean, with the market doing what it's doing right now and with Hood being on that downward trajectory, I think you got a decent shot at it. But just be careful. Apple coming down here, SPY coming down, AMC getting a little bit of red. Just be careful with those. Weeklies are always going to be very volatile and a little bit dangerous. So, I mean, it definitely can. Like the low is 21.76. I think that's the all-time low, isn't it? Wait, that's not what we wanted here. Hold on. Yeah. 2058 is the low. So you do have a shot at it. What is today? Wednesday? Yeah, you got today, most of today and 2 more days for it to. I think you got a shot at it. Apple, what are you doing? Oh, cool. AMC so hard to go up, but drops so much so easily. Yeah. I mean, what are we at now? 31.38? Doing solid. All right. AMD, PayPal, pooping. Apple crushing it, though. All right. SPY is coming down, and Apple's saying, nope, just kidding. I want to go up. So here we go. Come on. How's TLT doing? Are they still deep down below 150? TLT is making that little bit of a move back up here, but it's what's the high over here? The low of the day, 149.63. Interesting. Apple's going straight up. Relax, Vix. No, I will not relax. I will do no such thing. SPY getting a little red candle here with TLT coming down. Very interesting. How often do we test this 3150? I think we've tested it like 5 or 6 times now. SPY is getting some big red candles here with TLT not doing a whole lot, but Apple coming down too. AMC coming down. Ruh-roh. Let's see if we get this bounce right off here. And this is a little fake sell-off. TLT still coming down. So let's see. AMC bouncing up. Apple trying. What's going on TradingView? Yeah. Still above the 200. Still got a buy signal. So let's see. LGVN, Sleeping Giant. Yeah, it could be. Like button, smash it. Thank you, J-Raz. I hate Hood like everyone else, but be careful with those puts. They will be dropping their crypto wallet any day now, and they will get a bounce off that. They could, or it's priced in. Weekly options expire on Fridays every week. Yes, sir. Yes, they do. Wow, that's a big red candle on the SPY. What is going on here? I mean, it's coming right back up, but any news? Oil? I mean, nothing too crazy here. Multi-site. Yeah, I don't see anything. High yield default rate expected to finish just below. Yeah, I mean, that was a while ago. I don't see anything crazy going on there. AMC coming back up. All right, let's see what SPY ends up doing here, but TLT is not telling us much. SPY, that was just like that might have just been like a big sell that came through. Doom candle. Yeah, it was. A little bit of a doom. All right. Come on, Amy. Just market consolidation. Yeah, damn, AMC tracking the SPY. A lot of things are going to be tracking the SPY. I mean, Apple's not. Apple's saying, screw it, I'm doing what I want. TLT can't really make up its mind. Here comes SPY. When Vegas, we can go to Vegas. Zero hedge, top U.S. shale CEO worried of years of underinvestment could boost oil over 100. Interesting. Yeah, AMC usually tracks with the SPY. I mean, SPY trying to come back up here. Let's see. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. It just helps get some more people in here and helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So thank you guys so much. M. Kriegs, thank you for the super. ABUS shows promising results for a cure for Hep B. Looks ready to rampage. Interesting. I think they have a chain too. Ooh, it's going too. Yeah, they have a chain. Ooh. I don't really like the option chain on Biotech. Yeah, that one just had a giant candle from 399 to 418. Coming back down now, though. Let's see what happens with that one. Some kind of job report coming out. I mean, we typically see these overreaction moves. And then it just comes right back. So it's under the range that we typically like to see it in when it's going to consolidate. But it tried to get me to sell my YOLO calls, not working SPY. Yeah. All right, today I can focus. There you go. That red candle could possibly be a 15K share sell. Which one? This big one. Volume on it. 253,000. SPY's coming back up here. Here we go. I mean, AMC 3120 doing pretty good. ABUS chilling. This could easily just go bloop, right up. U.S. stocks in SPR fell the lowest since May 2003 last week. Interesting. Interessante. SPY coming up. Apple doing similar stuff. AMC, come on. Here we go. There's a rumor that IPOF SPAC may merge with Discord. Has that been debunked? No. I don't think anything's been announced yet. Smash, kick, slap, or punch or tickle STV's like button. Yeah. Yeah, SPY moving back up. It's trying. It's doing its best. Apple not doing a whole lot here. Let's see what we got going on here. All right. These YOLO SPY puts are down 78%. The ones I was using to hedge. That's hilarious. I might just sell those right now and take some money back. Yeah, I'll take them back. Thank you. Those are now mine. All right. AMC 3133. Here we go. ABUS coming back up. M. Kriegs. There you go. Apple still holding my trend line. There we go. AMC Ortex. SCV keep talking smack about PayPal. I've got it, bro. I have it. I don't like I mean, I'm just getting into it just for fun. Because I've literally only been like trading SPY and Apple for the last couple of weeks. It's working good, but I got to diversify. What were we looking at? AMC Ortex? Yeah. This is Longeveron. It's not 86%. So let's see what AMC's is at right now. 19.09. So 340,000 shares returned, 600,000 borrowed. Borrowed change 259,000. So 19.09% short interest. Amy, looking for that. Another test at 3150. All right, Spy. You're being an idiot again. Oh, M. Kriegs. A-bus is looking like it's gonna go. I heard you talking smack, so started moving back up. Oh, perfect. PayPal, you stink. Where's he at? Yeah, PayPal, I hate you. All right, what do we got here on SPY? Slightly red. AMC coming back up. Apple coming down. AMC flow is going bullish. There we go. I promise you, as long as poor people are around, PayPal ain't going anywhere. Why would poor people use PayPal? Well, I don't know. Damn, you're SPY at 480, bro. That is that's wild behavior right there. That is wild behavior. That is craziness if that ends up happening. AMC 3139. Here we go. SPY trying to make that move back up here. PayPal 193.36. Apple trying to get back above 174. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, what do we want? GME. That's what we want over here. PayPal is boss. PayPal just introduced crypto wallets. Interesting. AMC short interest number looking yummy. Yeah. PayPal is looking decent, Chio. Yeah. How do you do a strangle? You just buy calls and puts just on opposite sides. So you're playing a big move. So you need one side to go up over 100% in order for you to make money. I mean, I'm still doing great. I just want to do more great. That's what we want. Just needs to pick a direction. I think it will once SPY bounces. Yeah. Did you make enough from those Apple calls to get a haircut? Screw you, Mark. I mean, yes. That'd be a really expensive haircut, though. I kind of went big on those apples, and they're up real good right now. So let's see what happens. I'm still calling. Oh, AMC 3150. Test number 2 of the day. I'm still calling for Apple at 175. So that's where I want it. Crypto wallets store NFTs. PayPal now in New Jersey. They're charging sales tax. Interesting. You know what, Mike? Yeah, I did. Right now, I'll tell you how much I'm up on the Apple contracts. I am up a whopping $556 on Apple. So, not bad. Looking for it to go even more, though. SPY coming down. GME 175.75. AMC 31.43. So we got that second test. Yukon women, look out for my haircut. Yeah. All right, Amy. Come on, get back up there. Apple, what are you doing? Would you not like being above 174? I think you'll like it even better at 175. I think that's where you'll really be happy. And I'll be happy. So GME down 1.16. Amy 31.55. There we go. There we go. I like your hair. Thank you, M. Kriegs. I need to get a haircut, though. It's hanging out right here. It's holding. She's holding. All right, just crossed the new day, made a new day high, 31.59. The new one right there too, 31.61. Here we go. This could get interesting. If we can hold above these levels right here, what's SPY doing? Nothing too crazy. Oh, Apple, there you go. All right, 31.57. I mean, now the Apple contracts are up probably like $600. 592. Nice. All right, we need AMC to hold this 31.50, and it's just not doing it. I mean, right here it's doing pretty good. 31.52. Little red candle here. Let's see if we can really get going to the upside here. Apple, you big hoe. I mean, it's looking good right now. 31.57. This could be it, guys. This could be the start of the bullish trend of AMC today. Here we go. So Yukon hoodie is your YouTube stick, right? Or do you wear is all day, every day, no matter what? I wear hoodies pretty much all the time. I just don't. I just grab a hoodie and I put it on. Come on, Amy. Hold it. Hold it, Amy. Bob Darlin throwing in the Rockets. There we go. All right. Amy looks like she wants to hold. Come on. Do you think they increased the short position on AMC to make sure we stay below max pain? No, they want to finish at max pain. They don't want it to finish below max pain because they want it as close as they can to that price. Because when you think about it, it's not just calls that are expiring out of the money. Like they want the puts to expire out of the money too, because they don't want to have to deliver on their obligation on puts either. They just want to sell it, have them expire worthless, and move on to the next day. All right, SPY. GME 175.56. I mean, it's trying right here. Amy is hanging right around that 31.50. If we get a nice little boom right here, this could get interesting. Citadel is getting wrecked on LinkedIn. You see this? Yeah, I've seen it a couple of times. It's a nice investing outfit. Thank you. I would say this is more like YOLO gambling sometimes, but you know. SPY, what are you doing? There's no reason for this today. Zero. Oh, exactly. Here comes the boom boom candle. 1040 should hold 174 on Apple. Yeah, what is that? 173.98. Yeah, I want 175. That's what I want on Apple. Everyone roast STV. Last time I did it, we broke 31.50. Go for it, guys. I mean, we just broke it, so you're kind of too late, but 31.55, not doing too bad. Honestly, I'm feeling a little bit better, guys. My back hurts a little bit, but other than that, I'm feeling good. It's really just my voice at this point. Amy, doing good. Apple. So if so, 175 coming, 1120. Jason, I would love that. Am I pregnant? I don't think so. I'm going to go with no on that one. I would say no. Do you back hurt for giving T my piggyback rides? No, it doesn't. My back hurts from like sleeping weird last night. Geo. That's what my bet. Tesla theory? What's that? Your back hurts because of all the weight from your hair. Haha, funny. Here comes the boom. I don't know. I mean, I would love to see it boom. I mean, it's really, it wants that 31.50 breakout. It wants it. Look at this. It just keeps coming up. Dink, 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 up, down, up, right around. It just needs to like really get going. I mean, we have a day high at 31.61. So let's see. SPY coming down. Apple doing its thing. GME 175.30. I mean, SPY's not looking too hot right now. I mean, it's still above everything and it's still got the buy indication, but I don't know. STV is TMI's baby mama? No. No. All right. Amy 31.42. GME doing all right. Makes my back hurt too. I mean, I'm sitting good. I'm not like hunched. Like I'm sitting up straight. I could do like my normal setup where I put my leg up on the corner of the desk and just hang out like this, but then I look like an idiot. So, I mean, I look like an idiot anyway with this hair. So, I mean, we're just going to have to go with it today. STV is your real name, Steve? No. Does the earnings call of GME have any effect? Yeah. I mean, it'll have a little bit. At the end of the day, it only matters if the women like it. I'm Greeks. It's true. All right, there we go, Apple. Come on, SPY. Make a little move. Amy, come on. Get back above 31.50. You need to stretch. I need to go to the gym. You guys take up so much of my time. Not really. School is really the main reason I've been able to go to the gym recently. With the TLT down $1.50, the SPY should be running. Yep. It should be running. Still want these apples. If you saw my hair right now, you wouldn't feel bad. I feel weird calling you Jack, then don't do it. Grandpa is old. Yeah. We know they're saying their shorts, saving their shorts for after hours during earnings, playbook predictable. Yeah, they could be. They easily could be. SCV looks like a David. I'm not a David. GME popping a little bit here. So is Spy. Spy getting a little bit of a run. Apple looking to get that new day high at 174.44. Amy, 31. Come on. Enough of this bouncing around. Let's just go. Let's just take the resistance off and just let it run. Do you think GME will give the Wu-Tang NFT out to shareholders? They could. Let's play guess STV's real name, but will he tell us? Sam, I told you guys yesterday. All right. Here we go. AMC 3142. Not doing too bad. Yeah. Let it erupt. Exactly, Jason. Chris, great question. Jimmy, Luke Green Park. They could announce something. Look at DWAC. Is it still going? Wow. Wow on DWAC. Usually what DWAC does is it rips like this and then it tanks. So no, thank you. Get that out of here. No on DWAC. Staying far away. Yeah, no SPY trades today. I don't think we're gonna do anything. It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. I didn't need to trade SPY anyway today. It's fine. You look like a Jack. Yeah, that's my name. SV TMI stream was hilarious yesterday when TMI froze when everyone said your name and he took off to verify. Yeah, because he knows my name, but he was like, I don't want to say it that it's actually that. He texted me, he was like, do they know your name? I was like, yeah, I told them. His name is Bartholomew. He told us yesterday. You can think that. DWAC still going. SPY coming down. Apple coming down. I don't know. Hold on. What's going on here? Oh, SPY getting a little interesting here. It's just on this downtrend today. What are the premiums looking like on SPY? It's not that bad. I don't know. Do we do it? It's not saying. Hold on. Let me look over here. Yeah, no. No. Oh, wait. That's AMC. That's why. Yeah, SPY getting a little violent here. It's bouncing up a little bit, but hold on. Let's see what happens. TMI's name is Timmy. SV's name is Jake, not Jack. No, that's not true. AMC rising wedge. Yeah, I mean, what are we at right now? 31.38. SPY coming back up. Apple coming back up. These stupid little fake sell-offs. I just wanted to pick it. I literally just want Apple or SPY to get back in this little range right here, and then it'll be fun time. Ooh, here we go on Amy. Let's see if we can get another test. What do we got here? 31.47. Here we go. Jacquez. TMI's box. That is not my last name. All right, SPY. You gonna stop messing around today? Is that can we do that, please? Here comes Apple. See DWAC getting hammered right now. From 57 to 54. Hold on. What do we want? TLT for a bit. Then we'll pull up GME. Yeah, TLT coming down. Let's see if SPY will get a little pop off this. And then Amy back. I mean, it's just hanging out. It's a very slow day right now. There's not a lot of volatility. SPY is down 0.14. It's a very, very flat day compared to what we've seen recently. We've seen over 1% days up or down. Oh, here we go. Little boom on Amy. It hit that new day high at 31.61. Didn't make a new day high, though. Let's see if we can get going here. If you can't short AMC without being noticed, then short the whole market. I guess so. Thoughts on GME's earnings later? GME usually drops a lot the next day. Yeah, they do, but I mean, we'll see. Apple. Come on, Apple 175. That's what we want out of you. TLT coming. Wow, TLT is selling hard. Let's see. What's the total volume on AMC and Ortex? Today, AMC's volume 13.56 million. Prepare for the flash. Here it comes. I hate that. I hate that flash. AMC's estimated short interest on Ortex now is 19.09%. Yeah, this freaking 3150 is just, I mean, we're above it right now, just hanging out, but we're going to need to really get it going. Huh. I mean, TLT is getting hammered. So let's see if SPY can get back into these ranges and Apple can get to 175. I always like the number 13. SCV, what emoji do we use when we leave your live stream and join another one to show where we came from? I think a bowl. I think we decided on bowls because that's what the membership badge is. Yeah, finally TLT under 150. I mean, it's getting hammered right now. Like absolutely murdered. AMC still above 3150, looking good. TLT. They're trying to hold us. Yeah, pretty low volume today. No action day. Yeah, it's pretty low right now. The meme ETF, I think they should just call it chase or like bag hold because you can't like they're going to be so delayed. Apple looks good. SPY coming down a little bit with TLT trying to make a move back up here, but not really. Amy, 3154, 3149. It's just hanging out around this 3150 right now. It's up 1.5%. It's looking for just a nice eruption off of this level right here. That's what we need to see. We need to see it erupt. Why don't they have a jackhammer emoji? We could. But I like the bowls because that's what's in my logo. Oh, Apple, what did you just do? Oh, there we go. There we go. Amy, here we go. New day high, 3167. Here we go. Here we go. 3170. Let's get up there. Let's get it up there. Come on. Come on. Let's break 32 now. All right, everybody, get some rockets in here. Let's go. Also, if you guys don't mind just dropping some likes on the stream, we are crushing it today on a lot of things. We got Apple absolutely going bananas. We got AMC above 3150. TLT is still trying to make its way down. We got SPY doing absolutely nothing, and we are having some fun. Just sold my AMC calls. There you go. Why are my posts being deleted? I don't think they are, Sam. Come on, Amy. Stay above there. Now up 652 on Apple. That's sweet. It's a nice solid gain there. Apple coming, I mean, SPY coming down. TLT coming down. I just don't. I think SPY is going to start moving back up. And with bonds chilling out, I think tech is going to go up. Bro, we are big fans from Venice Beach. Thank you for your hard DD. We appreciate you. Trippy Trillion. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Oh, Amy, new day highs, 3174. Here we go. Here we go. Looking for that push to 32. TLT coming down again. Let's get some bullish action out of SPY and really send everything to the upside. Let's do it. Because money is to be made. Duh. Yeah. Love my fellow East Coast brother, STV. Gary, thank you, man. Your PayPal has to be looking better now. Oh, yeah. Looking good on that. I mean, it's still down, but it's looking all right. I'm really diamond handing these apples, though. AMC 3166. I mean, I think we're going to need to see a lot more momentum to really confirm that we broke that 3150. I mean, we did, but TLT, a little green there, huh? Oh, here we go. Here we go. AMC getting some action here. 31.88 new day high. Little boom boom candle here, people. Here we go. Come on. Let's get it up there. A lot of settled cash, too. We can make some moves today. So I'll take another one of these PayPals, I think. Average down a little bit. Screw it. I'll take one. Bing bong. Wait, hold on. That was almost the fat finger on the wrong side. All right. Oh, here we go, Amy. Here we go, Amy. Toe drag swag. Thank you for the super. I appreciate it, man. SB, your college portal. Is your college portal down to AWS? I don't think so. I mean, I'm not on there a whole lot. I just kind of try to. Ooh. All right. 32. Here we go. Here we go, people. Let's get 32 here. We're at 31. We have a new day high at 31.95. Let's get it going here. We got SPY not doing a whole lot. TLT coming down. So watch what happens here. Let's see if Apple gets a pop off. TLT coming down. Oh, here we go. 31.98. Oh, we crossed. We have a new day high. It looks like 32. Yeah, here we go. We just crossed 32. We're getting some action here, people. Here we go. AMC is getting going here. We are up 3% on the day. We just crossed 32. It is flickering around that level right now, and SPY is coming down. So AMC is doing this all on their own right now. TLT is selling off, but let's see what ends up happening here. That was a nice move to the upside. 33. Can I get some 33? That would be sweet. Hey, this is fun. Thanks for the entertainment. Anytime. Your AMC chart is lagging. Your AMC chart is lagging. I mean, my whole stream probably has like a 20-second delay. SPY selling, TLT selling. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense there, but you know, I guess that's how it goes these days. What's the main difference between? I use the moving averages for the ranges, and then the EMA for like just deciding whether to go into calls and puts. It's just if it's above this, calls, if it's below this, puts. That's really what I'm using it. Oh, Amy 32. Here we go. SPY trying to bounce, TLT coming down, Apple being an a-hole. Your delay for me is only like 5 seconds. There we go. Stream is only 2 seconds off. Oh, nice. That's perfect. Maybe it's normal latency then. Stream settings. Low latency. Ah, there we go. My internet is fire, no lag. There you go. Oh, 3206. New day high at 3210. There we go, people. That is what we want to see. Gee, those PayPals are doing all right now. I might take these apples. I don't know. Let's see what happens here. SPY doing its thing. Amy 3202. TLT selling off. I don't know. I think we get another move up in Apple. Let's see what happens. Go PayPal. There we go. Apple is not being an a-hole. It is riding the wave as it should. You know what? I just want to see it at 175, Jason. Not much resistance at 32. No, I mean, 3210 is what we hit. Let's see if we can get some buyers stepping in here. I mean, we got SPY just messing around here. So let's see. Never fear, STV. Hey, I mean, I'm chilling with it. Maybe I was thinking about taking another one. YOLOing, but nah, we're going to play it safe. All right. Amy is at the date, just made a new day high at 3211. Here we go. Getting going here. TLT is making new lows as we speak. Patience. Jason. SV, the tan is looking good. Are you calling me super white? Is that what you're calling me? Are you calling me like very, very white right now? Thanks. Appreciate it. Oh, AMC is absolutely ripping right now. Oh, 32.22. Here we go. Here we go, everybody. This is awesome. This is great. Major contracts and the end of January still. Oh, yeah. January is still wild for all these options. Here we go. Amy looking for that new day high at 32.25. Here we go, people. Don't call me white. No, I'm pale as hell. Apple is about to dump iPhone production halted. No, that's been out. They also have a couple of other really new big deals. And they told everybody to like ramp up production. So I'm holding these. It's just SPY being a little dummy. 3 letters for you. AMC. Do you think it corrects down on what? RSI for AMC. Hold on, let me pull it up. It's like 75. Yeah, SPY's just selling off here. What is it at right now? 466.90. I mean, it's still barely down, like barely down with TLT selling off. Amy doing very, very good. Target dumping, like big or like just selling? Because everything's selling a little. I mean, SPY is just selling off a little bit here. Target, I mean, a little bit down to, ooh, Target down big. They have earnings or something? Ooh, Apple coming down here, but so is SPY. So let's see. Amy getting a push here. New day highs. There we go. Up 500% on my DWAC calls. There you go, Jack Frost. That's perfect. I am now only up 147% on Apple. Oh, shoot. My synthetic, what do you call it, has a very high fever. So we're both sick. All right, Apple selling here. Uh-oh. Negative beta finally in effect. SPY moving strange today. TLT down too. Exactly. This is not normal. All right, I'm looking for a little bounce here on Apple. If it doesn't, I'm just going to take it and run. Still got time. Only up 100%. Oh, no. Yeah, I know. These were up a lot bigger. Apple getting hammered now. I don't want to sell it at the low, though. More bounce to the ounce. Let's go AMC. Yeah. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Sock has a fever. No. All right. TLT really coming down. I mean, come on. We're going to need to see this bounce here soon. Amy coming down. SPY trying to make a little bit of a bounce back up here. Let's see what happened. Ducks coming. What's up, Ducks? How are we doing, everybody? What is going on with all the Ducks? How are we doing? Amy getting a little bit of a red candle here, still above 3150. SPY is trying to make a move back up here. Apple is getting a little bit of selling volume, but with TLT coming down, I mean, this doesn't make a whole lot of sense here. Apple and SPY and TLT have kind of been linked up today, so let's see what happens going into the next couple hours. But yeah, fun is ripping too. What up? What up, Ape fam? How are we doing, everybody? What's up, Ducks? Thanks for all coming in over here. After Matt cut off the stream. If you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on it. Just helps get some more people in here. We got Amy at 31.92, looking for that cross above 32 again. We got the SPY selling off. We got TLT doing its thing. And Apple, who was looking really, really strong earlier, is looking less strong right now. Ooh, Amy above 32. I think I'm going to hold these apples. Screw it. Screw it. Screw it. Don't forget the like button. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. AMC coming back. Yes, sir. Waddle over to the like. SNDL and AMC. Whoop, whoop. AMC goes up. Apple goes down. Selling to get some margin money. Yeah. AMC 32.11. Here we go. SPY coming back up here. So is TLT. This doesn't, they're linked up right now. Hold on. All right. What are we looking at here? SPY trying to make that move up. AMC 32.05. TLT doing its thing. Apple, come on, buddy. Get back above there. Great hair, Jack. Stop it, guys. I'm like sick. You guys are expecting way too much from me. Let's see. If you like it, then you should put a thumbs up on it. There you go. All right, Apple. All right, we might ditch this here. I don't know though. I just think this is a stupid fake sell-off that like I don't know. MACD about to cross on Amy coming down. Yeah. I mean, oh, on SPY looks like it might want to come up. Yeah, this could be good. All right, let's see. Amy 3210 doing all right. What is this? There we go, Apple. Amy 3211. There we go. We need that new day high 3228. We break that. Let's get back up. SPY doing all right. Let's see. Those thank you, Dan. I appreciate it. Bear trap on SPY. Yeah. I just think look, it's also trapped in a range. Like I'm not even trading SPY today. TLT tanking right now too. We should get some decent moves up in the SPY and some tech plays, but we're just not seeing it today, which is very, very strange. Apple needs to consolidate. That was a hell of a run at highs. Yeah, it's true. SPY moving back down. No, I'm not creating a freaking alert. Amy at 3203. Apple coming down. I might take these. ISIG ripping. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is this thing? And why is it going absolutely nuclear today? It is like really, really going right now. I wouldn't chase this now, but that is a rip. SPY selling. Apple getting hit. What are we going to do here? Amy looking strong right now. Looking very, very strong. Drink some moonshine. That'll get rid of it. I don't think so. DocuSign's ripping. Yeah, they also just tanked. Look at this. Look at this freaking TLT move. What are the puts up on TLT today? Like, see, look, a 1.21% move in TLT, 100%, 130%. Like, these are big moves. All right, Apple coming back, SPY coming up. Amy, 32.15, looking pretty good here. SPY is wrecking me today, giving her another hour for a massive push before I ripped off the Band-Aid. Yeah, I'm not doing anything on SPY today, I don't think. It's just the range is so small. We're just not seeing it do what it needs to do. Like coming over to what I have over here on some of these Amy's going good here. Hold on. On some of these indicators, like it's still got a sell on it, but these ranges are just so small. Amy 32. Here we go. AMC said F the SPY. Yeah, exactly. That's what we want to see out of her. Like this move right here would say that SPY should be just really curling up. So I don't know. Maybe it's just lagging. We'll see what happens, but these have linked up recently, which they should not be. My Twitter 45 custom this morning are up 150% and I'm holding. Let's go, VIX. There you go, Ham. Atta boy. That's what we like to see. Amy 3208. SPY trying to make that move back up. TLT really getting hit hard here. Oh, here we go. Here comes SPY. Like this range today, 466.83 and the high 469.30. It's a decent range, but you'd have to top tick it. That's the problem. If you were to trade SPY today, you would need to like get in at the very, very top and get out at the very, very bottom. Here comes Amy, 32.22. Apple doing all right too. Let's see. TLT is getting murdered. Jeez, SPY should just go nuclear right now. What's your read? I like it. I mean, I think we broke that 31.50, and I think we just keep slowly pushing up. We've seen the SPY start to sell off, and AMC's just like, screw it. I'm going to do what I want, which is a good thing to see. We're seeing a lot of buying momentum. And then GME's earnings is after hours today, so we got to be a little bit careful. But what are they at? Down 0.85%. Amy looking for that new day high at 32.28. We're 4 cents off. Here comes Apple again. There we go. SPY's coming back up. Oh, Amy getting a boom boom here. New day high, 32.33. Here we go, people. Here we go. Yeah, and if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream just helps get some more people in here. Thank you to all of you new people that are in. We stream from 8:45 a.m. to about 11:30, 11:45 every single day, and then I come back on at 2, and then a video at night. So we're looking pretty good right now. Apple good. Amy, look, new day highs at 32.36. Here we go. Amy's looking to get a little bullish here, people. Likey. There you go. Keep going up. Grateful. Yeah. Let's go AMC. Here we go. New day highs. Still going here. Still getting up there. Let's see. SPY is getting a little bit of bullish momentum here, but let's see. PayPal's are doing all right. I mean, the Apples that I have are still up 144%, so that's decent, but GME getting a little bit of a pop here. IPO coming out. All right, let's get TLT back up here. This should, if it's still coming down, geez, SPY needs to get going here. AMC is apish. Will you not wash your hair until MOAS? I wash my hair every day. Ortex data for ENSC. Absolutely, M. Kriegs. ENSC. We got all AMC getting a boom boom candle here. You can see it over here. We're booming. We're booming. Here we go. All right, ENSC, M. Kriegs, this one, 1.69%. Utilization, 98%, though. That's interesting. But AMC is getting booming right now. New day highs at 32.46. Here we go, people. Paul, thank you so much for that super. I really appreciate it, man. AMC Moon, been here since February, not going anywhere. There we go, Paul. Thanks for being here, man. And thank you for that super. I really appreciate it. Let's see. Come on, GME, bring the innovative news we want. That would be sweet. All right. Apple, get back up above 174. That's what I want to see out of you. AMC, 32.40, doing very, very good right now today. Up 4.6% now, getting more boom boom candles, making new day highs. Here we go. You can't hold AMC down for long, people. And with what we were talking about earlier, especially with AMC's short interest, let's pull that up. This was like the if we were able to, if like retail investors and long institutions were able to set a trap for shorts, this is exactly what it would look at. Let the price tank. We know the shorts are going to chase it down. Short interest goes up, and we're going to see days to cover also increasing. So even when they get themselves into these short positions, it's going to be so much harder for them to get out, because if they do want to get out of their shorts, well, ooh, here comes Apple. They're going to jack up the price. They can't hide that buying volume. Volume on AMC right now, 17.64 million. Apple really ripping, TLT doing its thing, and SPY coming up. So I guess that's where we're at today. Bull trap for the option chain? It could be. The option chain is not crazy for this week, though. Like when we look here, there's nothing really. Like there's 17,000 at 35, but that's not going to be enough to really crank anything up. Next week is interesting. We're looking to break these day highs here. Here we go. All right, new day highs. Here we go, people. It's getting very, very apish in here. Let's do it. The T+2 is kicking. Yeah. Thank you for your AMC support and barbecue ribs, South Korea. Huh. Interesting. I do like ribs. Why do you have a delay in your live stream? Because you have to. It's delayed by like 10 seconds or something. 32.61. Here we go. SPY coming up. Apple, rippy. Here we go, people. Come on, Amy. 32.70. Honestly, let's get up to 33 now. Let's do it. Let's get a little greedy. I'll take some 33 on Amy. Let's do it, people. Let's have some fun. Korean wings are the best. I don't think I've had them. What's max pain this week on AMC? Good question. I believe 32. 31. Max pain on AMC this week? 31. So let's see what happens. GME trying hard to push. Yeah, let's get GME up here. Ooh, GME just went green on the day. Here we go. SPY coming up. AMC getting its way up there. I'm still calling Apple 175. That's what I want. GME at 178.54 for all those audio listeners. We got AMC just continuously breaking these new day highs. This is awesome right now. SPY is the catalyst. SPY's just rallying back up from the lows. It's not really getting anywhere. All right, AMC is looking like it's about to break 33. Here we go. Let's get some. Hold on. I got another FaceTime call. My bad, guys. Every time. Every time we're about to. All right, 32.90. Hold on, I gotta. All right. Oh, here we go, Amy. Come on. 32.92 is the new day high. We got Apple ripping, SPY ripping, GME getting some boom boom candles here. Let's do it. Let's have some fun. Can you say negative beta? Sounds like Vix drank an extra energy drink today. No, I'm actually sick. I'm just having a really, really fun time watching these giant boom boom candles go off. All right, here we go. New day high, 32.96. Let's hit that 33 right here. Apple, I mean, I still want you at 175. So fun is leaving the building in a good way or a bad way? Oh, fun is ripping. Amy, oh, it was 2 cents off from what's BBIG doing today? M Creeks. I know we were looking at that one. I was looking to get something, but yeah, down a little bit. Could be a good time to buy the dip over there. All right, AMC looking for that move here, people. Wait, I want GME over here. I don't want TLT. I'm not trading SPY today, so what's the point of having TLT? Apple cranking. There we go. RSI and AMC is probably wild. I'll tell you what it is right now. On the 1 minute chart, it is. Oh, it actually settled down a little bit. It's right around 70. 70.75 with that little sell off there. So actually not too terrible. VIX in the mix. What's up, Richard? RSI 80 on the 1 minute. I think I saw it at 70 just now. All right, it's looking to get back to 33. Let's see what happens. Oh, Apple 170%. That's nice. That's very nice. Should hold above 32.75. Yeah, it really wants to get going here. Look at this. This is the nice confirmation of that breakout above 31.50. So, I mean, like in my video yesterday, it's ready to get going. It's ready to explode. It may not be today, tomorrow, this week, but it is getting ready for a big move. A lot of things coming together on Amy right now. All right. GME coming back down a little bit. SPY coming back down. Apple is saying, screw you, I'm going up. So now it's Apple's turn. Eric is saying 33 and 3, 2, 1. All right, man. I'm down for it. AMC Ortex. Yeah. Let's see. Oof. Oh, that was a nice crack of the back. All right. Estimated short interest, 19.12% on AMC. Actually, let me refresh this a little. I mean, oh, here we go. Come on, 33. Come on, 33. You can do it. Oh, Apple, you dirty dog. Here we go, everybody. We're going to be filthy rich. Yeah. Can this be a bull trap? It could be, but we've seen those tests out 30. All right, 33.19 is the new day high. It's looking like it wants to get going. Let's go, people. Let's go. Eric, you were pretty spot on that one. We are now above 33. We have a volume of 19.43 million right now. We got a lot of stuff moving. We have Apple doing its thing. We got AMC at 33.19 at the day high. SPY is coming down now too, and AMC is just saying, screw it, we're going up. Up 7% right now. Here we go, people. All of you people that were buying the dip under 30, you're up like at least $3 a share right now. So 100 shares, $300. There you go, everybody. You can't hold her down for long. P&L is finally green. There you go, AMC Abe. SPY is a bear trap. Russell is where it's at. Yeah. I mean, oh boy, Apple. I guess this is what happens when you decide to hold. Now I'm up 184%, and I went a little bigger on that one too. Apple's going to pay for my casino trip coming up soon. All right, my one options contract just doubled. Let's go. There you go. All right, Amy, here we go, people. Here we go. A little bit of consolidation here, but let's see what happens. Apple at the highs now. Oh, boy. Here we go. I'm calling it right now. Apple 175. Here we go. 200% on these contracts. I mean, I should make it free, but I'm not going to do that because I'm trying to swing for the fences on this one. AMD ripping. Yes, Gio. That's what we want to see. Ho, 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 ho. Here we go. Amy at 33.17 right now. At the day high is at 33.32. We are going for it right now. Here we go. Can inflation cause a squeeze? Not really. Apple equals 177. Just have a hunch. If it hits 177, I'm gonna go nuts. That'll be like 1,000%. Blue song, boom, boom, boom. Here we go. All right, Amy is still above 33. It's really looking to get some momentum here. SPY is still coming down a little bit, and Apple is saying, screw it, we're going up. Here we go. Roku up $30. Is it even up more than it was up 14% at one point? 13%. All right. Maybe around 12 or 13. Roku's crushing it. That was a 3,300% gain on the option chain. I don't know what happened with them really, but that is a dirty, dirty, dirty move on Roku. Ken Grifton, how you doing, buddy? I had to mute the stream and do work for the last 30 minutes. Missed all the fun. Hey, at least you're here now. We're making new day highs right now on a lot of things. Apple coming up to the levels I want to see it at. AMC 33.50 up. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Everybody drop a candle in the chat. Here we go. Boom, boom candles. Let's do it. Let's do it. All righty. Come on. All right. Let's get some 34. Come on. While we're at it, we might as well hit some 34, huh? FOMO. Yeah. Is this gamma squeeze? No, not really. There's nothing too crazy on the options chain right now. Paul, thank you so much for that super. I really appreciate it, man. Shout out to all you guys that send those in. You guys don't have to, but it really means a lot. Thank you guys. I just love changing red resistance lines on chart to green support. There you go. Congrats on your viewership, STV. Gregory, thank you, man. I appreciate it. 34 it is, bro. Let's do it. All right, SPY coming back up here. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy I didn't do anything on SPY today. House could vote on debt limit raising Friday. That would be good. All right. Up really good on these apples right now. Coming back down a little bit here. Amy still at 33.36. Having an absolute day and a half. GME, how are we doing? Is GME getting a little bit of love here? Little bit. 690 likes. That's pretty cool. Another 18%, and I might be green. There you go. Smash the like button, says Bino. Thank you. Appreciate you, STV. Staying calm, cool, and collected. That's me. 35 open interest. Yeah, the 35s are decent for this week, but like that's not crazy. Like 17,000 isn't nuts. I'm looking at next week, which is good. I mean, next week even isn't that crazy, but the January one is nasty. The January option chain is absolutely nasty. They cannot get any of these contracts out of the money. Like 25,000 at 20, 19,000 at 10. Like, look at this is just nuts. If we pull up Stonko Tracker, hold on, let me get back to the chart. Apple, that was mean. Where is it? I gotta look it up. All right, here we go. Stonko Tracker. Okay, so here we go. Already for January, there's 126, basically 127,000 contracts in the money. That's dirty. That is dirty. Because here's the thing, all of those contracts, there's going to be more of them that are going to come up. Like, no matter what we say about like options are risky, well, since the price is lower, this is the other thing you got to keep in mind. Since the price really tanked, if people were buying January calls recently, they can buy them cheaper at a lower price, like at a lower strike. Come on, SPY, do your thing. Amy's still above 33, getting a little bit of red here. GME, a little bit of red as well. Apple's still doing its thing. I still want Apple at 175. That's where I'll consider getting out, I think. I don't know. AMD going to rip faces off. Is it really going right now, Gio? Oh, it looks like it wants to get going here. All right. Amy's still above 33, up 6.75% right now. Apple doing its thing. PayPal, little down. Let's see. I mean, I'm down like 41% on my prog contracts, but that's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. Next week's in the money going up as well. You notice that? Yeah, but it's not crazy. Like only 34,000. That's like 3.4 million shares. It's nothing. We've traded 50. Oh, wait, no. We've traded 21.9 million so far today. All All right, AMD looking like it wants to get going here. SPY is kind of trapped in these ranges. All the moving averages are coming down. So, I mean, we're going to need to see a little bit of a trend reversal on the SPY. How's TLT doing? What is TLT telling us? TLT has been just like messing with us recently. Coming back up a little bit, but Apple coming down. Next week's in the, yeah. Setting up nicely. Yeah. Bam predicting strong uptrend. Does that mean we are doomed? No. Everyone get back to roasting STV. Go for it. Let's get going back to the upside. SPY coming up. Some candles here. Amy up 7 right now. Very, very solid. What's a good place to learn about options? Go to the Trading Fraternity YouTube channel and Stock Market Live. It's the same guy, just 2 different channels. Roast STV for price moves. Go for it. If that's going to work, I mean, I'm down. But if the stock starts to go down, then you can never make fun of me again. That's the problem. So you got to play it very, very careful. I think we'll raise a lot through Friday, though. Mark my words. We're going to see 40 plus. There we go. STV is going to look like the ape father in 20 years. Gio, that was the biggest insult you could have ever given me. SPY getting a rip here. Looks like it wants to go. Come on, let's see how Apple gets up. My wife said if I can't get my hair to look like STV, she's leaving me for him. Sorry, bro. It happens. I'm kidding. All right, Amy just fell below 33. SPY is looking at that move to the upside. So is Apple. TLT being an a-hole. I don't agree to that. Can you give me a quick little explanation how trading works? Well, that's a hard thing. That's like I don't know. SCV's real name is Sid the Sloth. No. You know what I actually look like, though? Ready? We're going to pull this up. This is actually what I look like. Amy doing its thing right here. So we're going to have a little bit of fun. And you guys are going to see what I actually look like. It's a character from a kid's show or a kid's movie. And you're going to be like, yep, that's what you look like. And you're never going to be able to unsee it. Ready? All right, enough of that. Jazz Cabbage, thank you for the super. I appreciate it, man. Looks like we got close to that 3374 area of resistance. We're looking solid and might sneak right past that. Apes, go slap that like button. Thank you, man. Yeah, see, exactly. I'm telling you, that's exactly what I look like. Oh, Apple, you dirty dog. Here we go. Amy trying to come back up. Love Toothless. Exactly. Somebody told me that one time, and I was like, oh, I guess so. I guess that's what I look like, huh? It's too bad I'll still steal your girl, though. Wait, what? Who said that? Not me. All right, let's get Amy back above. Oh, Amy back above 33. Here we go. Here we go. Can you retract your teeth? No, I can't. Make it your Twitter profile pic? No. I knew you looked familiar. Exactly. Apple 175. Oh, man. Apple 175. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, thanks to all you guys coming in here today. If you guys don't mind, make sure you guys drop a like on the stream. We are going to be back on at 2. I'm also going to try to crush it on these Apple calls. We're going to wrap up in a little bit. Let's see what happens. You should cosplay with it. No. I should be that for Halloween, though. SPY coming up. Yep, there we go. Apple coming up, too. We're going to need Amy to get going here. I mean, it's just cooling off a little bit. We still got a long time left in the day, and we're going to be back at 2. So you guys will definitely see some more of me. No, wait, who said that? Not me. Yeah, can we get an Ortex update? Of course. Oh, Toothless is back. We're going to delete this so we don't have Toothless up on my screen anymore. 19.15% on the short interest for Amy. SPY getting some move here. Apple playing with your emotions? Not really. Like, I'm still up big. Unless it, like, just nosedives, then I'm fine. I think it's going to go to 175. I would like it to go to 175. SUV turning into the best stream on YouTube. Thank you. I appreciate it. Has double buying started for some of those puts? Some of them, not all of them. I mean, let's look. So what's a level for this week? I mean, I think the 30s are decent. Wait, this is Apple. Sorry. All right. So for the puts over here, the puts aren't too crazy. But look, that's decent. So we go from 30, 31, 32. So that's 6, 11, 16. Basically, let's just call it 18,000. So that's 1.8 million shares that potentially would get unhedged for. It's probably like, well, I don't know, 1.8, like, hold on. Let's do some math. 900,000 shares, about half. And then when you go to the calls, and you go hedge, it's a little bit more, but it's not anything to really cause some big gamma moves. But yeah. Amy's feeling alive. Yeah. What was your entry on Apple? Right around 170 yesterday. So where is it? I got in like probably here. Right around here. Because I was just playing the 170 breakout and then they got some news. So I mean, it's doing great right now. I want it at 175. Amy coming down a little bit. SPY getting some action here. Apple doing its dang thing. About to go to TMI stream. There we go. Yeah. Let's see. When will shorts begin to cover at least the little guy shorts? Whenever we hit that danger zone, which is most likely mid 40s now. Wow. I mean, AMD coming back, PayPal coming back, Apple doing solid. I mean, we're crushing it today, people. Can't stop going back and looking at the cartoon character. Gio, I'm telling you, you can't unsee it. I've just ruined you guys now. Like, you're all ruined. Now you're just going to look at me as the dragon from How to Train Your Dragon. Except this one has teeth. I was going to get in on an Apple, but I thought it might fake out. I mean, we've seen Apple test that 172.50 mark a couple of times and it just broke out. I mean, above 170, Apple likes to run a little bit, especially with the news that they were getting. It was looking good. AMC right around 33. Apple 174.48. I mean, what are these contracts at now? 193%. I mean, that's good. I'm very happy with it, but I want a little bit more. Toothless the VIX. Yeah. Twitter looking feisty. I don't like Twitter. Do you like Red Bull? I like the blue one. Amy setting up for another rip. Yeah, I would. I mean, we're going to need to see a little bit more out of her to really get us going. But Apple coming down a little bit. SPY being a little weenie. I don't know why, but I always get a good laugh looking at Robinhood stock. Yeah, me too, man. I'm back. Had to explain to my girlfriend who Amy was for the last 15 minutes. This is Amy right here. She's 32 years old. Sometimes she used to be 70 years old though, but she just like reversed it a little bit. But she used to be like 14 years old and now she's 33 years old. Her age fluctuates a lot. She's like one of those people that like will tell you a different age depending on the day. Come on, Apple, do your thing. Cup and handle. I mean, on Apple, I think. Yeah, not really on Amy. Like a tiny, tiny one right here. I'm back. Yeah, Amy setting up. Let's see. I'll probably hold these Apple calls for a while. Again, guys, we'll be back on it too right after TMI gets off. So we are probably SB actually looks like the kid from Squirrel Boy. I don't even know what that is. YouTube just flagged the channel for 14. You know, they better not. Robinhood turned off the buy button for their own stock. Probably. Ethan, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate it, man. SB, I try to shoot you a $5 every day. You're live as a TY, but I've ran out of questions to justify it. So here's 5. Ethan, thank you, man. I really appreciate it. SPY coming down. Amy above 33. TLT doing 0. Apple looks like it wants to go. Well, at 34, Amy is getting 2 pieces and a biscuit dinner. Yeah. All right, here's what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do here. I got to make sure I'm... Yeah. Here's how we're going to do this. All right. For everybody that's in here right now, we are going to be wrapping up the stream for this morning. Here's TMI's live stream link. Make sure you guys go hang out with TMI until I am back. If you guys want to stay on a stream, I will be back around 2 p.m. I'll schedule it, and then we will be back in a little while. But thank you guys for an awesome morning stream. This was super fun. Also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the way out. It helps get this recommended to YouTube more. And if you guys like engage with the video and you liked the stream, these streams will pop up for you again. So thank you guys so much. If you want to come back, you guys are always welcome to come and hang out with me during the morning and watch me YOLO on Spy and Apple. So later, guys, I will see you in a little bit.